Hold on, we back though. We back though. Hold on. You hear me, right? You hear me? Okay, everything works now. Okay, hold on. Hold on. My mic. Okay, let's actually just build something now because I got an important app that I gotta build for next week. It's very important. It's for feature release. So yeah, I gotta be quick though. I gotta be quick, you know. Is it a new studio? Nah, big man. This is my home. I'm back home in Denmark right now. So yeah, it looks kind of sleek, right? I got the whole sofa. I got everything. The background is nice. I mean, everything is kind of working now, you know. And I appreciate you being here, guys. I appreciate you guys. This is crazy. It is crazy. Now, let me get into it. Okay. Today, your boy's gonna build something like Travel Perk, okay? But it's gonna focus more towards the web app than the phone app. And this is gonna be difficult to build. It's gonna be difficult to build because you can basically manage like your team and their travels. All right. So this is gonna be crazy to build. I can, big man. Not a train travel app. No. I gotta build this today, like a flight manager travel management app, cause it's for a feature release next week. A feature release next week. All right. So this better be a good app. So first, I gotta get all the details here. What up? Man, I got like 3 screens, man. What up, Nepo? What up? So these, listen, look at this. These are all the features that we need on the app, right? But I still need to make it like simple. I need to make it simple. Now, how do we do that? How do we make it simple? Shit, I don't even know, but I need to build it today though. Probably next week or in 2 weeks. It really depends because we just spoke about it yesterday. So we'll see, big man. We'll see. Now, I don't know how I'll build this though. I'm not too sure how I would build this. You know what? I know what to say. I want to build an app which is basically just like Travel Perk. And Travel Perk is a travel manager for teams. So they can basically, you have an admin and then you have your employees. You can create your own team. And then if you want to travel to like a specific destination, either the team members, they can buy a ticket themselves, or you as an admin can buy a ticket for the whole team. And this is basically for the flights and for hotels. Okay, that should be good enough. For finding flights, I want you to use Duffel API. For finding hotels, I want you to use SERP API and use the Google Hotels. There we go. Okay, these are all the details, but we can build it out slowly instead of everything at once. Right? There we go. Adam, bro, appreciate the follow. Listen, I know I'm not so interactive today. It's been a long time since your boy been live though, you know? What is that you're taking inspiration from? What does it do? What type of management? Big man, I'm telling you right now, this is Travel Perk, right? So basically, my app is basically called Fly Corp, because you know you're flying corporate. But anyways, your admin or your founder or whatever can book you a plane ticket, alright, for the whole team or just for you, or you can book it yourself. And then you can manage everything on this app instead of going to like 1,000 different apps like Booking.com, Expedia, Momondo, SAS, Lufthansa, everything, you know. This is an all-in-one app and it's very hard to make. It's very hard to make because you guys don't understand it. For hotel bookings, you basically need to be an affiliate or a partner, you know, with the different booking platforms, right? Like Booking.com. So that's kind of hard to do. But I found another way. All right, I found another way. So hold up. Sounds good. Start with the team, flights, hotels, and trip dashboard. I think A is good. A is good. Nah, man, I cannot speak I cannot read Vietnamese like that. You gotta do it in English, alright? Your boy is not a native guy, you know, not a native guy. For the admin manager, should one person who creates the team automatically become admin? and everyone they invite becomes a traveler? No. Yeah. Yeah, creators admin. Yeah, there we go. For flight booking via duffel, should travelers actually complete the purchase inside the app? Yes, they should. Search, select, approve. Yeah, the full flow inside the app. I think we should do it. I'm a first year. I'm stuck at a project. What should I do now? Big man, what do you mean? What kind of, how stuck are you, big man? Tell me, how stuck are you? Ecom, Italian, I appreciate the follow. If it's hard to make, then it's only one guy who can do it. Hey, of course, baby, of course. Listen, I gotta be chill. Today because, I'm back in the apartment. I can't really scream too loud, so we gotta chill a little bit. Ishak, appreciate the follow. Everybody tuning in, man. We having a crazy ass starting stream after like a week. What's going on? I know, but listen, bro. I got a family above me. I got a family below me. I got a family in that room. So they are basically awake. Like children, they wake up early. So it's all right. It's all right. Ecom Junior. I have a community that I teach ecom. Can I make an app and they pay membership monthly? Yes, sir. You can. For sure, you can. I mean, you can literally create businesses with this app. Or a tool. It's not an app. What's a web app? Same thing, How can someone look for investors for this app? What do you mean, Zeno? I mean, do we want to look? You post yourself. You literally post yourself, and that's it. You go to Twitter, you go to Reddit. Okay, maybe not Reddit. I'm not too sure. But you go to Twitter, advertise yourself, advertise your business, say you're looking for investors, and that's it. That's literally it. That's what you do. Now, I got to do a little bit of designing. Have you guys seen Stitch? Ooh, Stitch is amazing. Take a look at this shit. Okay, so what is the app that I'm building again? Hold up. It didn't give me. Okay, hold up. It didn't give me the I needed like bullet points for this, okay? But it didn't give me the bullet points, which is kind of ridiculous. Anyways, let me put it into Stitch. This is the prompt that I used to build my app. Now, I want you to create me all the necessary app tabs. Now, you don't have to create 1,000 app tabs. I need you to focus on the necessary app tabs and keep it minimal so that the app is looking aesthetic, clean, professional, but still have a nice designing edge to it. Okay, let's see. That was kind of crazy. How much does it cost to create an app, big man? It can cost you $10. It can cost you $20. It depends if you want to use my code or not. But that's it. What do you do if you're using? What do you get if you're using Bloom for free? What do you mean? I'm using Bloom for free. What are you talking about, big man? I mean, what do I get? Huh? What are you talking about, H12? Nah, man, you gotta listen English in the chat, man. Code for what? What do you mean, Juice? What are you talking about? Code for what? Why not just use Cloud Code? Because not everybody's a technical guy. The free plan. I mean, you can build with the free plan. No, how many credits for the free? You get 350 credits, and then you can go into debt and then actually finish your app. But it's up to you, I don't know where to start and how to start. Man, I don't even know what you're talking about. Your school project, man. What are you talking about? After making the app, will it appear in the App Store? Well, you gotta publish it to the App Store, and we're gonna make it easier for you, for sure. Bro, what's your chair, bro? Is it ergonomic? Nah, it's not, man. It's like IKEA. Listen, this is IKEA, man. It looks sleek, right? Looks sleek. I'm not gonna lie. That's why I bought it. If you have coding experience... Wait, why am I... So... Why is it not working? Hey, why is it not working? Hold up. What am I doing wrong here? Okay, there we go. If you have coding experience, Claude way better. If you have coding experience, yes, but then you're gonna hit your rate limits. You may Bloom? Hell nah, big man. I work for the company, big man. I'm one of the first guys. I've been here the longest out of everybody, besides the founders, obviously. How many credits are you using if you give AI one prompt? Depends. Very much depends on the prompt that you want to give it, You heard about OpenClaw? Yes. OpenClaw is like old news. But yes, I do know about OpenClaw, but it's very old news though. It's a crazy. Listen, I'm not saying it's bad, but it's crazy. It's crazy, right? Hey, I've started my first no-code website startup. What's the best way to market it? I mean, what have you made, big man? Tell me about it. Hold up. So I guess the AI agent is gonna like. I've never touched Stitch, not the new V2 Stitch. Okay. Oh damn. So basically, it's gonna generate generate you the color palette, and then it's gonna generate the screens. Woo! Damn, I didn't know this shit. Oh my days, this is crazy. This is crazy. What AI model does Bloom use for the UI design, and can we change the provider to Claude or Gemini? Yes, big man. Take a look at this. Boom, right there. I mean, I don't know if you can see it. You can probably see it, right? You can change between Opus, Sonnet, GBT, Gemini, Minimax. You know, I'm using Bloom the DIY and Stitch Acrobatic. I want to build a web with this and Python. I should learn them first, or do and learn at the same time. Do and learn at the same time, man. Do and learn at the same time. AI cannot be this good to be using it everywhere. Yeah, I think AI can be good, you know. Stitch is crazy. I'm the fames. How long has it been? How long has it been since you've been here? Oh my days. What up, big man? I hope you're good. Big man. Now I know. Listen, I've not tried Stitch out yet, you know, because I haven't been like working, you know, because I've been on vacation, literally vacation for the last week when I was in Vietnam, you know. So your boy's like, he's out of the game right now. Now, holy shit, this is pretty decent. You know. Too long, I know. I'm you good, Brody? Hey, we good too. Had a crazy ass vacation. All right. So yeah, it's been a great time, you know. But hey, listen. We're building today, though. Now, I actually gotta be serious about building this now. So let's actually, you know, work on it, you know. Would the app have subscription? Not yet, big man, not yet. Genie, what up? Where you been? I've been in Vietnam for 2.5 months, baby. I've been in Vietnam for 2.5 months. We were chilling. We were doing a lot of stuff, you know. Now, let me see it, man. This Stitch is ridiculous. Now, the design, I'm not saying the design here is bad, okay? But we can make it better. You know? Do you use natural lighting for the camera, or do you use studio lights? I mean, I got two like flimsy ass lights, and then I mean, it's not optimally set up, cuz look, this is basically like the window, right? And I'm supposed to get like sunlight into my face. But like I'm sitting kind of like in front of the window, like behind the window, you know. So no, it's not the most optimal place to sit, but it's all right, you know. It's all right, you know. Arctic that long? What do you mean, Arctic? I mean, yeah, I was. I took the whole setup with me and I worked, man. You guys don't even understand the grind for this. Okay, now let me take a look at this. So I cannot listen, guys. I cannot make the booking hotels like kind of working, because you need to have an affiliate with them, which doesn't really make sense, you know. It's kind of annoying, but we gotta survive with it. That's all right though. How do you Stitch? Polina. I'm trying to use it myself for the first time too. Like, this is the V2 version. I've not used that. Nam, Kevin, Almighty, Boss, everybody, appreciate the follows. Bro, I made a gym app. You gave me some motivation, but I built it with VS Code and added Claude Code. Ooh, that's crazy. Russ, that Nova, you guys are crazy. How much subscription in 1 month? That depends, big man. That depends. What do you want to build? Tell me, and then I can actually give you, like, you know, the real stuff for it, you know. Now let me see. This app, it's not great. I'm not gonna lie, guys. It's not the best one. I mean, if I wanna, like, this is looking too much like AI, you know, and the color is not like. I'm not too sure, guys. I know I'm kind of tripping about this one. I can always make another one, but the thing is, look, it looks so AI generated, you know. Can we make it better, more sleek, maybe? I don't know. Let me think about this. So basically, I got the home, the search, the assistant, and I got the profile. Okay. Now, I would love to have like a really sleek ass dashboard. That's what I need. Okay. Nice one. I appreciate that. Should I start from mini project or middle project? Thank you for advice. I mean, I don't even know, Nan. I'm not that technical, but I think you should start with like a mini project first, you know. Nice. Yes, sir. I'm building an app on Lovable. What do you think about Lovable? I think Lovable is decent. They do like a few features, but it's decent, you know. It's decent. Street Life, LS LS Night Wolf, appreciate all the follows, man. How many apps have you built? I've built over 350 apps, I'm pretty sure. We're in full psychosis from looks AI generated. Man, what do you mean? What are you talking about? Can you tell me how much credits $1 is on Bloom and how much credits a full project costs approximately? Okay, so if you want to buy credit packs, it is basically 100 credits is $1. And how much a project will cost depends on what you want to make. Let's say that you want to make a gym app, that's like 3,500 credits, you know. So yeah, okay, let me see. Anyways, let me see what I can change, okay? Because I mean, I want to make it sleek for the video, right? I want to make it sleek for the video. So obviously I need to focus first on the app and then I can focus on the web app afterwards. But I'm not too sure about this one though. I'm not too sure about this one. Is it possible to make the dashboard have everything? Like, I'm talking about the travel details, the overview, the team members, everything on the dashboard, but make it look sleek, make it look nice, make it look... Shit, I don't even know what to say, man. Hold up. Okay, let me try it again. Okay, cause your boy needs to think right now. Revi, appreciate the follow. Let me take a look at the comments. Alright, cause hey, your boy's kind of trying to concentrate, right? Alright. How much have you made from those 350 apps you have made? Listen, I'm making them for content, baby. So I've grown my page quite a bit, you know. So that's what I would say I've made, you know. I have a problem shipping my app on Google and App Store, but it's live as a web app. Nova, where did you build your app though? How many apps have you published? None, not yet. I'm not gonna publish it until we actually, you know, like publish the feature to do so, which is gonna be very soon. Rakari, what up? Still trying to work for Bloom? Hold up, Wext, hold up. Who you? Listen, it's been too long. I don't even remember the guys in my chat anymore. I don't even remember the people in my chat anymore, guys. I'm sorry about that one. Shit. I know. More cohesive? More cohesive. I mean, you think so? Would that be the one? Ooh, okay, hold up. This is not so bad. So the problem about this though is that the navigation bar is not really the real one that I want. But hey, Nico, what up? How long have you been building apps? For nearly 9 months. I just can't do it. The process for Google Play Store is tedious. I mean, we got a guide on that, you know. Rakari, what up? My global news platform getting popular. Woohoo! Somebody making bank today. What do you mean APK? I mean, it's not really necessary to get the APK when you got Expo Go, but again, that's up to you though. Now, hold up. I kind of like this one, okay? I'm gonna take everything down here that I like. I kind of like this one. This is looking pretty decent, okay? I was thinking something, you know, something more detailed, something nicer, but that's all right though. What up, Alex? What up? I use bloom.diy. It's right up under me. Now, let me see. Okay, so if I select this and this, okay? Can you redesign the search and discover to look like the enhanced... No, what am I saying? Can you redesign the search and discover page to look like the command / dashboard that I selected? I want it to have the same sleek and uniqueness that the command app tab has. And then I need something else. Okay, this is gonna take quite a bit of time, guys. This is gonna take quite a bit of time. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Hold on, let me get back to the chat. Where you been? Bro, I've been away. I've been on vacation. Nice, bro. Yes, sir. How much does Bloom cost? It can cost you $5, $10, $20, $50. It's up to you. I appreciate that, Alex. Danny, bro, need to go, but catch you later. Hey, I'm the Fames. Enjoy your day, big man. I appreciate you coming back here, though. I appreciate that shit. What do you actually use? What do you actually code the software? What do you mean? To code my software? Bloom? Is that what you're talking about? How much you spend on on tokens daily? Man, I spend about, if I stream every single day, right? It depends. I can spend from 10K to 30K. It really depends. Why are you using rounded corners? Are you talking about this one? What are you talking about? Yeah? Rots, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? He used Bloom. Yes, Ricardo. Hey, thank you. Thank you. Come on now. But no, I don't understand. Ben, what are we talking about right now? To build like the full stack native app? Or talking about like who built Bloom and what did they use? Like, what are you talking about, big man? Tell me. Now, where is the page? It's right there, okay? Now, I don't want a long ass page. The thing about this though, first, my first primary focus, right, would obviously be the phone app, and then we can work on the what's it called again, the web app afterwards. But I don't know about this one. It's not so bad though. Okay, hold up. Remove the concierge recommendations, and like it just fills the app tab too much. And why is there a market intelligence? Remove that one too. And then why is there an allowance underneath the search for flights and hotels? It doesn't make sense. Remove that one, and then just focus on the flights and hotels, and then underneath you could potentially add a map to it. There we go. Come on now. Bro, come on, publish something. Man, Kungen, bro, I might need to find you in real life, man. What are you talking about? How do I make live calendar? What do you mean MC cards? M cards, bro. What are you talking about? Does Bloom have crypto? Wanna invest? Nah, man, not crypto, not right now. What are you doing? I'm building full stack native apps for a feature release next week. So I actually gotta focus on this app before I like talk too much with the chat, you know. Adam, I appreciate the follow. Is Bloom only for front end? No. This is not Bloom. This is Stitch. This is Bloom. We build full stack native apps. What is this app about? Controller. I will show you what the app is about in a second. I love watching Arctic. I appreciate that. Now we keeping it chill today in the stream though. I'm not gonna lie. Listen, it's the first time I've been back since like a week ago, or even 8 days. I'm not too sure. But hey, your boy's been on vacation, and now he's back. You know, he's back. He's gonna build a freaking app for the feature release, and boom, stream on Twitch for more bread. I mean, I'm not too sure, man. I would need to build up my audience on Twitch first, and then potentially make bread afterwards. But right now, nah. I got like 0 viewers, man. Come on now on Twitch. Also, the algorithm on there is it's not the best. It's not the best. Now, this AI agent is kind of looking crazy. I'm not gonna, bro, Stitch is like a whole new thing. I'm not gonna lie. But the thing about this, guys, I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek. Bloom is gonna have a whole new concept. Like, listen, this is nice. This is obviously nice. You have the iframe view, and then you have like the chat here. But trust me, guys, this is gonna look crazy as hell, man. It's gonna look crazy as hell. Arch Bay, appreciate the follow, man. Twitch algo, yeah, Twitch algo is kind of like garbage, you know. It's kind of like garbage. I'm not gonna lie. Can I get a job with only Bloom? I mean, saying, what do you want to work as though? I mean, you tell me. It's all trial and error. I mean, what are you talking about? Arctic, like for streaming on Twitch, or for like building? Let me know. Appreciate that, How do you say your name though? Mr. Stefan, right? Steven? Stefan. It's Stefan. It's gotta be Stefan. I appreciate that. Now let me quickly wow, where is the map though? Where is the map though? There is no map underneath routes and premium stays. So I need you to generate a map underneath that section. Otherwise, it's looking too blank. There we go. Building. Yes, it's all trial and error. Literally trial and error. That's it. Samuel, appreciate the follow. Hey, I appreciate the gift too. You guys are crazy. Is there include backend? Yes, sir. We do. Now, this is obviously going to take a bit of time to build. But yes, sir. Hey, everything is in here. Now, I got to build it out first. You know. Bro, how long have you been learning this type of AI? I mean, big man, it's took me like 9 months to actually be able to build good apps. So I would know like 7 months. And then I began to build like really good apps, you know. But it was also because I didn't focus too much on app building. I was focusing too much more on the marketing aspect of my job, you know? That's why. Hey, I appreciate the gift, man. I appreciate that one. I appreciate that one. It's been nice here. Hey, crazy. I appreciate that. Dude, Pablo, Thriller. I appreciate everybody. I appreciate everybody. Listen, you guys are crazy. Yes, I mean, we got the map there. It's looking all right. I mean, it's not the worst, right? It's not the worst, but this is basically looking more compact than it is here. So I might need to change that one. Wait, what am I doing? What am I doing? Hold up. This is the correct page. What am I talking about? Hold up. Go there. Appreciate that. Now let me read the chat in a second, all right? Let me read the chat in a second. I gotta focus on this shit. So Trip, dashboard, and chat AI assistant. Now, is there anything that we really need to change from the AI assistant? Yeah, we do. Hold up. Let me do it like this. Boom, boom, boom. Can you take inspiration from the Command app tab and the Search and Discover app tab and then redesign the Chat and AI Assistant app tab to look somehow similar to those two app tabs? I think, listen, it's not so bad though. Oh my God. Damn, we have a lot of motion today, man. I'm actually vibe coding my side as I watch this, man. That's crazy. What are you working on, big man? I'm working on a feature app right now. I'm working on a real business. So basically, if you have a team or you have a business, right? Instead of going to like freaking booking.com or like a flight company like Lufthansa, SAS, Swiss Airlines or whatever, you can do it through this app. You can literally book for your team using this app. So is it really like, is it for like B2C? No, it's more like B2B, and it's for a feature app that I'm building. It's for feature for next week. So I gotta actually focus. I gotta focus. Yo, Helen, hi sir. Appreciate everybody, man. You guys are crazy. What up, Ricard? What up? Make a vibe marketing platform. I might need to do it one day. Stitch, yes sir. What up, Sam? Welcome. You using Stitch Figma too? No, I'm using Stitch, big man. User, appreciate the follow. Did you use AI for the UIs too? I mean, the UIs here? Yes, sir, I did. Listen, I cannot code. I cannot design. Well, that's a lie. I can maybe design a tiny bit, you know, a tiny bit. That's AI made. Doesn't look bad. I mean, it's decent. It's decent. It can always look better. You know, but we'll see. Alex, by the way, from other account. Alex, that's you. Crazy. Did you design that yourself or you prompt the AI? How will you connect it in coding? I will show you how to connect it, and this was with all AI, man. All AI. Poker, appreciate the follow. Where do I get gigs, bro? What do you mean get gigs? What kind of gigs you trying to get though? What vibe coding platform are you gonna use? I'm gonna use bloom.diy. BLOM.diy. Rock is really good. It's decent, but it's kind of expensive. It's kind of like Replit though, isn't it? What if the app bugs and the person that bought the tickets and something happens? Then that's on us, you know. That's kind of on us, you know. But the thing here is the AI agent here. Well, that's not on us, because if it uses the APIs, then it's kind of onto Duffel. But let's say that, you know, they kind of lose their money and Duffel didn't receive it or something happened, then it's on us. But we're gonna add an agent to Bloom itself that can actually test out the app and everything. But for bugs like that, it's more on the APIs, not on us though, not on us. But hey, who knows though? Listen, we might publish this to the public, like to other companies, B2B, but not B2C, man. This is not a B2C app at all. I need to make money with my knowledge of vibe coding. Big man, Hazzy, what do you want to, like, what can you do though? I mean, you can vibe code. Well, what have you done? What can you do? What have you built? Come on now. What AI was used for the UI? I used Gemini 3.1 Pro. sexy model. Now, I kind of like it. I kind of like it, okay? I kind of like it, but the problem is, it's too like, I don't know about this one. I like the AI chat, but the problem is, you know, the chat is supposed to be the main feature of the app tab, but now you can see the flight first and then you see the Voyager insights. That doesn't really make sense. So I think the chat should be the app tab itself, and then you can add, you know, the other details like at the top of the screen or something, but the app tab needs to be like the main. Man, what am I saying? What am I? Oh, man, it's because it's too early for me, man. That's why. JJ, appreciate the follow, man. Vibe code a full stack course. A full stack course though. Oh, that's crazy. Eddie, I appreciate that. What apps to use? I use Stitch and I use Bloom.diy. So while this is literally building the whole like full stack native app, I'm making the designs right now because you know, features are very nice to show on a demo, right? On a demo. But a demo, you're not gonna go through the whole process of actually like, you know, booking the flight and hotels. So I gotta make it look real good, and then for functionalities, we can focus on that afterwards, you know, because I'm also waiting for like a Booking.com affiliate partnership kind of deal, so I can actually get the APIs for that. But at least we can do it another way. I got my methods, okay? It took me like 30 minutes to get to my methods yesterday, so. And it was night, okay? It was night. How do I reduce the size before exporting to App Store and Play Store? I mean, where did you build it on, Scholar? Where did you build it on? What are we building today? See, we are building a B2B app for a demo that we have next week. No, not a demo, for a feature release that we're going to release on Bloom next week. So that's what we're working on. Nah, Abdullah, bro. Abdullah, hey, you gotta calm down. Hey, you gotta calm down. God damn. What's this guy on about? How do you make money with your apps? You put a paywall behind them. And if you can't put a paywall, man, you do marketing and then boom, get some funding on that, you know, build it further. I mean, there's so many ways. Sell the app, put a paywall behind it. Shit, there's so many ways, you know. It's just like a normal business, guys. Like, guys, listen. Building mobile apps and shit like that and web apps, you're basically building a business. So that's what we got to think about, okay? That's what we got to think about. How to make money, bro? To make money. God damn, I just told you, big man. Moji, appreciate the follow. Wait, I'll be back. Hey, I got you. See, I got you. Hey, everybody with the gift. Calm down. It's morning, guys. Hey, I appreciate everything. Hey, what's the best thing using payment in the app for user? Something like Stripe or using Revolut? I mean, I think Stripe or RevenueCat. I mean, basically Stripe, right? Yes, I think Stripe is a very good option, you know. So instead of publishing the app, you could do this sneaky thing, okay? You could basically just put like a domain behind it, and then you could use like the Bloom test flight and then have like a paywall behind it somehow, you know, without publishing to the App Store. But hey, that's my kind of methods though. I don't want to show you guys because that's my kind of method, you know. That's my kind of method. But hey, chill. Abdullah, appreciate the follow. I give you money. Big man, I don't need the money, big man. I need you guys to like just enjoy the life. That's what we do. Dude, do you know a way to avoid AI slop on Stitch? I mean, what kind of AI slop are you talking about though? What kind of AI slop are we talking about? Because this ain't so bad though, you know? This ain't so bad. You just gotta be communicating with the AI. That's what you gotta do. Now, what the freak is this profile tab? I kind of like it. I'm not gonna lie. Can you take inspiration from the command, search and discover, and AI chat app tab to then redesign the profile tab to look like the rest of the app tabs? Oh, also make it smaller. There's so much details on the profile tab. I just need the basics first. And then we can go on from there. Hold up. 139 gift. Damn, I appreciate it. You guys are ridiculous. Come on now. But hey, chill. Let's enjoy the stream, man. I appreciate you guys. Sorry, no name. Appreciate the follow. Bro, have you read the new policy regarding Apple and Google requiring government ID? Many devs will quit, not gonna lie. Many devs will quit, but that's only developers, right? But for the people that actually want to build something legit, something that's, you know, that can scale to like 10K, 100K, 200K, boom. That's no problem at all. And also, I mean, with the new shit with Apple, right? Oh my God, Apple. Why are you making it hard for like vibe coding tools to be accessible, like easily accessible through their platform? Like, why, Apple? Come on now. I mean, it's not really gonna stop the AI apps that are gonna be published. Like, come on now. We can still like publish like a marketplace, and then people can also like publish an app to the App Store. But our app, that's gonna be like a different story, you know, What up, Stepan? What up, what up, what up? Gerald, what up, big man? Appreciate the follow. For sure, the dude did not answer my question. Skeet, bro. Skeet, listen. You didn't even, hey, you didn't even answer my question. I asked you a question. God damn. The main problem is the security. Nah, that's not the main problem. The main problem is that it's marketing. It's marketing. Listen, you can build the worst app ever, but if you do great marketing on it, boom, you're gonna get a lot of money. But if you can't do marketing on a good product, waste of time to build it. Waste of time to build it. How do I reduce the size, big man? You asking the wrong guy, scholar. You asking the wrong guy. Ask AI for that. Ask AI for that. Now, where is my profile tab though? Hold on. Let me get back to the chat. Okay, let me get back. Yeah, marketing important. Marketing is that as the second most important thing. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Like, I mean, that's something that most developers don't want to talk about, but we can talk about it in the chat though. We can talk about it in the chat though. You don't pay me, by the way. Nah, man, Rakari, he's here for the vibes, man. I appreciate that. Rakari, come on up. Usman, Anak, I appreciate the follows. Now let me take a look at this. So I kind of did reduce it. Right, to this. Now I gotta see. Ooh, okay. So it took 32 minutes. 32 minutes, and we actually gotta redesign. We gotta redesign this, okay? We gotta redesign this. So should I add like an onboarding form, just like for a quick like swipe, because onboarding forms are the most important ones, but I don't think we need it for this app specifically because it is going to be like a team app, like a demo app. So that is not necessary, that is not necessary. So let me think about this app. Let me think about it. I can't say I appreciate that. Where's the project? Get up. Oh, Rakari, he's doing some. Damn, hey, he's helping out the chat, Rakari. Hey, I appreciate that shit. Man, you better make bank though. I hope you do, big man. I hope you do. Now, hold up. So, the thing about Bloom, right? The thing about Bloom is one annoying. No, the sandbox, the loading. It's just sometimes, right? It doesn't load all the front end, which is kind of annoying. So, yeah, we'll see. Maturing is realizing Tony Stark was a vibe core. Nah, he was for sure. Now, so make it so, make it possible to sign up. Right now you can't sign up. Maybe I should add the accounts in the backend like DannyBloom.diy, but Nah, listen, we need a sign up. Okay? Because what if this app actually goes to like a B2B app, So we'll see. How can you use the app on your phone? You want to use your app on your phone? Let me show you. Christian, hey, I appreciate that shit. What up? Welcome. Now, you guys want to ask me how we view it on the phone. You ask the correct guy. You ask the real guy behind the team, because I'm gonna show you, all right? Now, I got the Bloom app right here. Now, I'm not too sure if you guys can see it though, because the focus is not like focusing. Boom. And then let's go to like the team travel planner. I gotta change the name to like FlyCorp, But hey, take a look at this shit. And then it's gonna load, but I don't want to wait for the loading right now. So, and you can even see that it's literally bundling up here. It's literally bundling, but that doesn't really matter right now, Make an app that basically people upload a picture and then the app will try to find the country. Oh shit. We could make something like that, but not today, Alex. Not today. Today I got a huge project, so that's not gonna be made today, That's gonna be made today. Now, I was supposed to do something. Hold up. I was supposed to do something. Now, do I want to add like an onboarding flow? Nah, no, it's a waste of time. It's not going to be shown in the demo at all. I need to focus on the demo and then just like the two main features of the app. That you can actually have a dashboard, a very beautiful dashboard, literally like literally checking that people are going to you can book the flights for them. You can see the overview. You can see all the details. That's what I need to do. JK, is this free? It's free to test out. Big man. What up, Kai? Welcome. Art Fantasy, Led Dolls. Appreciate all the follows. Now, what's going on, though? We're having a blast today, though. Now, let me see. So we got the quick actions here. I kind of like it. I kind of like it, okay? So in the command app tab, there are quick actions such as view full itinerary, add expense receipt, and contact concierge. So I'm thinking about this. Can you make me 3 app tabs or 3 sub pages for those quick actions? Okay, so add expense, receipt. There we go. Waiting for a long time to build in the phone. VS. What do you mean? What do you mean? Do you want to build it on your phone though? Because I can potentially. No, you know what? You know what you do? You literally preview, go to iOS, and then boom. That's it. You scan this. Boom. That's it. You know. That's it. How do you start with the Gmail thing? What are you talking about, Florian? You're talking about like the auth that we have? Auth? That's for every single screen. Big man. How to bypass Bloom credit token, man? You can't. Listen, Lilith. This is what you would do. Right? So people they be thinking this. They be thinking that they can make multiple accounts, right? And then get free credits. But are you gonna work on like separate apps every single time? Nah, you guys are crazy. Add iCloud login. Why would I add iCloud, big man? Listen, we only use Google here though, because Google is the one that we need, because we are running on Google. You know, DannyBloom.diy. That's the email. You know, from Stitch jump to AI Studio, bro. Nah. All right, from Stitch I jump to Bloom, the better tool. Rourke Marks. Chris, like, hey, if you think so, hey, cool, you know. Voo, I appreciate the follow. Curses stop people from doing this. Hold up, what are we talking about right now, Corey? What are we talking about right now? I might be like, shit, I'm out the loop right now. I'm not too sure what we are talking about right now. Bloom, it's free, bro. It's free to test out, big man. It's free to test out. Now, gotta reload this one, and then I gotta see what it creates me, though. Because where are the app tabs? What? Oh, this is the one. No, this is not the one. Hold up. Where are my app tabs though? So the itinerary is here. The search and discover. Nah, the itinerary is here, right? And then this is the. Nope, it's none of these. It's literally none of these. Concierge. Oh, there we go. And then the expense management. Now, is this the correct order? Itinerary, expense management. Yes, it is. So look, we're gonna place it down here. Boom. And then I'm gonna generate all these subtabs for these ones, okay? Now I gotta see though. So does the sign up actually work? Let me see. Your own Bloom app.diy? No, big man, I don't own it, big man. I work for them. I'm the longest employee here. I've been here for like nearly 9 months, you know. And hopefully by the 12 months mark, I'm gonna get something. Hopefully, we'll see. Is this better than Lovable? And why? We build full stack native apps. There's a multiplayer function, and you can preview it as a web app and also a phone app. So that's the core. That's the main features. That's the USP, really. What does the app do, bro? Is it a travel planner? No, it's an all-in-one. Yeah, basically, it's an all-in-one travel management app for B2B, like for businesses. That's what I'm making. Not for normal users, but for businesses. You know. I'm gonna apply for a Java Bloom Ricari. That's, hey, big man. Listen, that's gonna be crazy. Hopefully. Now, so where is the? So did it deploy? Did it deploy? I mean, what? Continue. Ooh, there we go. Can I continue with like Google? Can I continue with Google? Hurrah, we cooking right now. We cooking right now. Come on now. How can I upload it to the Play Store? You can follow our guide that we have on Bloom to upload to the Play Store and App Store. You know. But if you have the premium plan, it's way easier, guys. It's way easier. What are you using? I'm using Bloom.diy and Stitch. That's what I'm using. Damn, bye Figma. Stitch is very nice. Stitch is amazing. And you know what? Art? We're gonna add Stitch. No, we're not gonna add Stitch, but we're gonna take some components from Stitch and add it to Bloom itself. You're working there, but don't know if it will work. What? What are you talking about, creative? Yo, broski, does the AI build a full management system for a mining company? You can. Whoa, Sari, yes, you can. And the Google login, well, I'm talking to the chat, right, to keep it entertaining, but it clearly worked, didn't it? Now, the icons are not like iconing, you know. The icons are not iconing, but I don't need that right now. I need these app tabs first. That's what I need. So I need to generate the main app tabs first, which is basically the command, right? I mean, I don't want to call it the command, but it sounds cooler, I guess. It sounds cooler, I guess, you know. Redesign the main app tab, which is basically trips, change it to command and take a look at the reference image. I want you to generate and make the command tab just like the reference image. Okay, let me see. Let me see. Okay, I'm kind of tripping on my own words right now. I'm not gonna lie. Can you make an app to trades for you? Nah, I mean, you can make an app that trades for you, but like, do you want to make that though? Is it worth it though? You know, can we build an operating system app? Yes, for sure you can. I mean, like, for sure you can, you know. Can you build a Bloom competitor on Bloom? Yes. Yes, you can. Where did General those pictures? What are you talking about, Sari? What do you mean, Sari? I, Harry, appreciate that. Appreciate the follow. Sabina, you too. You guys are ridiculous today. Ridiculous today. Risky, brother. Easy, but risky. Yes, indeed. It is kind of like, I'm not saying that AI is not the greatest, you know. I'm not saying that it's not the greatest. I'm just saying that it's not. Sometimes you gotta be careful, you know. Gotta be careful, you know. Can we install Tinder on it? I mean, do we want to install Tinder on it? Do you want to install Tinder on it? Tell me, is Bloom better than Lovable? Yes, in a lot of ways we are. I mean, we build full stack native apps. We have the multiplayer feature. You actually build a mobile app, not just like a web app that you need to preview on your phone, you know? So yeah. How to install it in the phone? I will tell you in a second, big man. You go to preview, you go to iOS, or I mean, not Android right now, but iOS, and boom. But we are going to launch on Android very soon. Very soon. How about exposed API? Where are you getting your exposed API? Kale, how about you try yourself, you know? What is the price difference? I mean, I don't even know. I don't even know. I haven't even checked Lovable for quite a bit of time, so I don't even know. I mean, $20, that's the lowest that we have for like a starter plan. But hey, still, you know? Okay, so while this is generating, okay, hold up. While this is generating, I'm not gonna read the chat. I'm not gonna read the chat right now. Hold up. Give me like a quick minute. Give me like a quick minute, okay? So the thing about this though, I want to switch between the flights and hotels as separate app tabs. I don't want to have it like I don't want to make it like this. This is too simple. It's not unique. So we want to make it unique instead. I really like the search and discover, but the problem is it's not what I had in thought. It's not what oh my god, bro. What am I saying? I really like the search and discover app tab, but it's not really the vision that I have. So I was thinking that it's gonna be a whole map. So the whole app tab is a maps, and then at the top you can switch between the flights and hotels to then book. You kind of get what I mean, right? So the whole app tab is a map, and then at the top you can toggle between flights and hotels. And on the map, you can literally see your current location. Okay. I'm kind of okay. Okay, my prompting here is kind of bad, you know, kind of bad. Sino, what up, big man? What up? Yes, I want Tinder installed on it. Can it work with proxy? I mean, big man, what do you want to install Tinder? What do you want to install Tinder on? What are you talking about right now? Johannes, appreciate the follow. Hey, I know I have a web app built with Lovable, but want it as an app, not web app. Yeah, that's Lovable. We build the full stack native apps, you know. Extra, appreciate the follow. Is it better work on Bloom than Lovable? It depends, Lil. It depends. I mean, what do you want to build though? You know? Yeah, Tinder clone for sure. For sure, a Tinder clone. Selim, appreciate the follow. Do you have an inner circle class online? I mean, I can listen, if you guys join the Discord, just go to the Bloom website and you guys join the Discord. We're gonna run like weekly community builds or something like that, you know. Sari, appreciate that. You too, Jao. How? Man, your name is How, right? Like Jao, like How Miguel, bro. Florian, Thorn. Everybody appreciate the follow. You guys are crazy. Yeah, no, I prefer web app instead of app for updates, but users want app. I mean, that's what you build on Bloom, and then you get the actual app and also the web app. That's the thing about Bloom, because we have the live backend for it, you know. Okay, this is not so bad. This is not so bad. Hold up, this is not so bad though. Take a look at this. I mean, it's not the worst. It's not the worst. Take a look at this. It's not the worst. Okay, I mean, okay, it's not that great looking. It's not that great looking. Right now, it looks like all the icons are zoomed in. It looks too big. I want it more compact. I want it smaller. I want it looking sleek, luxurious, and nice. There we go. Let me join Discord right now. Big man, go to Bloom. And then you'll go to the Bloom website, and then you'll see like community, and then you can join the Discord, you know. How about Replit? Replit is very expensive. Replit is very expensive, and they're very hungry for tokens, you know. Love, HS, appreciate the follow. Can Bloom use GitHub repository to build further on? I mean, right now, you cannot connect your existing repo. It's kind of hard to do that. I mean, you can connect it, but your project's not gonna get it's not gonna be easy, okay? But you can build a project here and then export to a new GitHub repo. Oh, that's not GitHub, bro. This one, and then you can build it further upon using like Cursor or something like that, you know. I've redesigned the main app to command reference. Okay, let me take a look. Let me take a look. Let me take a look. Let me take a look at this. Let me take a look at this, okay? Hold up. How do you recommend finding an app idea people want? Very easy, big man. You go to TikTok, or you go to the App Store, or you go to Reddit, and you find problems. You literally find problems. You search you search for a problem, or you scroll to watch for problems, and then you build it for that specific problem. From Denmark though, mainly iOS, Max, bro. Yes, danska, man. Come on. Is that Danny? What up, TNX? What up? Mainly iOS. I mean, you can build it here, big man, Max. You can build it here, you know. Appreciate all the gift. Dry. Appreciate you too, big man. Hey, everybody's crazy. Going to make an app for young people who need structure. Is Bloom the place? Yes. I mean, what kind of structure do you need though? I mean, I guess you're making like a discipline app, right? You can make it on Bloom. It's going to be a web app, and it's going to be a full stack native app, you know. Bro's in a new location. This is my home, big man. What are you talking about? This is my home. This is my home. I'm back home, you know. Okay, can you check Magnevo IO and give feedback, bud? Nah, not right now. Not right now, big man. I don't got the time for it right now. Wow, this app is not that great though. What would we like to focus next? We can start connecting the command tab to real data from the backend, or we can build it out from the other tabs. I mean, right now I just want to focus on the UI. The live data we can go work on later, okay? Now, I kind of like it. Damn, Stitch is so... No, I mean, Gemini is so crazy at design. You guys don't understand it. Swiggy, bro. I'm making a B2B app for a demo next week. So, it's a huge app. It's going to be shown as a demo. And hopefully it's going to work, you know. Hopefully it's going to work. Hopefully it's going to work. Okay, let me see the chat. Okay, it's been a long time. I just need it to work. When I present it for the higher people I know, also having a big database. I mean, we are having a big database, big man. Convex. So Convex, millions of people can join. Literally, it's Convex, right? And to make it work, that's on you. That's on you to make it work, you know. You gotta prompt it good. You gotta make it good. You can do it all here, you know. Done. Appreciate the follow. Appreciate the follow. I need to know if Bloom can be used with an existing GitHub repository. No, you can't. I mean, you cannot connect. Let's say that you have another project in that repository, and you build it on like, I don't know, you build it on like freaking use another language and shit like that, another backend. It's gonna be a bit hard, you know. It's gonna be a bit hard. So you can only do it for like new repositories, you know. New repos. No, I need to fix my life. Hey, people can't give me gift now because of this shit. Come on now. Come on now. Hold on. What's going on? We back. How do you show them your process? What do you mean, no name? What do you mean process? What are you talking about right now, big man? Hopefully you offer free training soon. Free training. I don't know about that one. I'm not too sure about that one now. The map though. I mean. Let me just take a picture here, because it's not the best, okay? It's not the best, okay? Redesign the map tab to look like the reference picture, and use leaflet for maps. Right? That's pretty good, right? Redesign the map tab to look like the reference image, reference picture, and use leaflet for maps. There we go. You can pay me with food. Nah, what are you talking about, big man? Listen, I don't even think the company pays for the food. No, we gotta pay for our own food. You know? Damn. But hey, it would be cool if we're gonna earn like if we got like a huge boost in revenue, and then like 50% of that is gonna go to like a year worth of like food in the office. You know, that would be crazy. Oh shit, that would be crazy. Danny, is it good if I make only the UI and UX with Gemini and the coding with Claude Code? Yes, that's good too, big man. That's good too. That's good too. Can you get the code from Stitch instead of just an image reference? Yes, you can get the code right here, big man. If you just like, yeah, there you go. You can download it. You can download it. It's been a bit of time since I've been here, you know. But yes, VLAN. What tech stack you use? I use, what tech stack? Shit, React Native, basically Expo, and then Convex for the built-in backend for every single app, you know, every single app. Now, I gotta fix my appealing process. Listen, because my internet just bugged out. Now the users are kind of getting like pushed out, you know. So we gotta fix that. We gotta fix that. God damn. Do you like what you do? Yes, Ghost. I love what I do. It's tough out here, but I know. Food is super expensive. Like, how am I supposed to survive, big man? I know. Ricari, I know. ASP.NET, what is that, big man? The copy to Figma button copies editable Figma layers. I don't know. Moo, I don't know. I've never tried it, big man. I've never tried it. What's the best way to get the most out of Stitch? The best way, Mike, honestly, is to give it really specific prompting. I mean, I think it's better to like go to ChatGPT or like Gemini, and then you basically prompt something, and then you get the prompt here, and then you build out all the app tabs from that prompt. I think that's the best way. I'm not gonna lie. Why not use something like Cursor or Claude Code and it's one agent seeing UI backend? It depends. I got no idea, man. You think I'm a techie? Come on now. When did you realize you can do this for a living? When did I realize this? I mean, I had my own video editing business for 2.5 years. So I've been editing videos for 2.5 years, right? For very big companies and people. Very big, guys, like very big, okay? And then I was like, why not make content for myself, build my own personal brand, and then also have the chance to work at a startup like Bloom? So that's what I did. So I was like 6 months or something, 3 or 6 months, I was doing it solo, like UZ kind of content, and then I stumbled upon Bloom. No, Lovable first. I first worked with Lovable, and then I wanted to work at a startup. I want to work for something where I can make an impact, right? Because Lovable, they already got the people for it, okay? So we got onto Bloom, you know? Finn, what up? Welcome. Now hold up. I gotta see if it did this, okay? Let me see. So you have redesigned the map tab. Let me take a look at it, okay? And then we gotta reload the app. This is the annoying part about this though. It doesn't go into hibernation. It literally refreshes the whole app, which is not nice. Okay, with this we gotta fix, but this is not so bad. God damn. For the map tab, I want you to use the real location of the user. There we go. Appeal approved. Woo-hoo-hoo. There we go. Danny, what up, Ricari? What do you think about vibe coded games? I think vibe coded games are kind of decent. I'm not gonna lie. That's gonna be like that's gonna be the future. Like low key. That's gonna be the future. You know. What do you consider yourself if not a techie? I'm a vibe content creator. That's what I am. Hey man, great work educating people on vibe coding. I appreciate that. I'm not gonna lie. You should make an AI that you can take suggestions on places you want to go and give it you specific places like summer mountains. Bro, I was going to build that. I was going to build something similar to that. Okay, listen guys, I'm losing motion right now. And the reason is because my internet bugged out and also because I got another appeal, okay? So that's why it's kind of like bugging out, okay? That's why we don't have a lot of motion. What software do you use? Bloom.diy and Stitch. Now, so while this is being made, let me get on to the next one. Okay? I like the map tab. I really like it, but the problem is, can you show me the extension for when I search for like a flight? So right now I can search for a flight, but I need to see the extension so that I can actually give out the booking details. Hopefully it does understand what I'm talking about. Hopefully it does. If it doesn't, shit, I'm kind of cooked. Okay, bro, Fluid, trust me, big man, Ricari, maybe very soon. Hold up, what did you type? Oh yeah, the vibe coded games. Yeah. Benedict, appreciate the follow. I'll be launching my app in App Store soon. Very excited, big man. I'm very excited for you, big man. Come on now, Tech by Def. That's a crazy ass name. What database do you use? Convex, baby. How much is the premium version and what does it come with? Ecom Junior. Let me show you. God damn, let me show you. So the free version, you can test it out for free. you know, but it's not. You can test it out for free. You cannot use it for like crazy ass apps. The starter plan, you can begin building like normal apps, like a gym app, like a notes app, like an AI powered app that can still be scaled, you know. Premium, that's where you can really go into like the details here. This is where you got 8,000 credits and you can really build a really good ass app. Now, see, you got the early access to new features, which is basically like early access to like Bloom itself, you know, like on the phone, and then the GitHub sync. But for the start, you can only download the zip and then faster app previews. But hey, try it out yourself, you know, try out the free plan for yourself first, you know. Did you make Bloom? No, I didn't make Bloom. Did I make their marketing? Did I make the social media? Yes, sir, I did. Jay, I appreciate the follow, man. Are you Viet? Yes, I am Viet, big man. Yo, Danny, you're gonna give me that discount, baby? Trying to make a very interesting episode. Oh my god, the discount, babies. Man, I didn't make a discount for today's stream. Maybe I should do it right now. Listen, if enough people want me to get like a discount code, like 50% off, yes, I will. Take my dev. Hold up, what did he say? Yo, what did he say though? Risk replies in dating apps with AI. God damn! 8K credits is how much token? It's 8K tokens, big man. It's 8K tokens. Much of the time, it does not provide safe and efficient code. Have you tried it out yourself, Velan, before you like speak, you know? Why not using Lovable? Lovable is more for web apps. It's more for web apps. We build both full stack native apps, okay? So basically, a phone app and a web app. That's what we do. And due to the backend, listen, due to the live backend, the built-in backend for every single app, we can make good ass apps. We have the multiplayer feature. We have real-time sync. Shit, there's so much, you know? I'm not gonna lie, I think I might take an 18 plus AI talking app, like character AI, but with the white. Bro, I swear, listen, see, you know, people be thinking, man, this guy's tripping. This guy's like tripping, you know, but hey, that's a good ass app. That's a good ass app. Especially doing the marketing. Wow, marketing so easy on such apps, you know. Which app are you doing now? I'm basically building like a travel perk app, which is basically like corporate travel management. So this is like a B2B app. This is like a B2B app that I'm making right now. I'm going to get the pro version once app is done. How to connect to the app store? We have a whole guide on connecting to the app store, or you can just wait until we implement the feature to do so, which is going to be in the next month or something like that, you know. So yeah, that's gonna be crazy. Have you heard about Claude's new model? It's basically Thanos, not Jarvis anymore. Claude's new model? Claude's new model? What are we talking about right now? Can we even finish one app with premium subscription? Man, of course you can, man. Of course you can. Now, listen, Lil, I might need to slap the bum out of you right now, because you already know. Now, where is my what? Okay, hold up. I don't dislike this, okay? So why can I not select this? Hold on, what's going on? So, yo, why can I not select it though? I mean, I don't dislike this one, guys. Like, let's take a look at this. I don't dislike it. But it doesn't really make sense though, right? It doesn't really make. Okay, hold up. We gotta chat with the AI. And then make it better. Claude is launching Mythos soon. Tag, bro. I got no idea what that is, big man. I'm sorry, man. What is it? What is it? I'm not too sure. Jamie, appreciate the follow. How do you move a site away from Lovable? I need some advice if you could, please. I got no idea, big man. You could probably take the code and then compile it somewhere and then, you know, host it. Or you could like, I mean, Lovable it does basically host it for you, right? But I'm not too sure, Ben. I'm not too sure. No idea, big man. No idea. Nah, it looks good. It looks good, right? It looks good. Okay. Hold up. Dang, would love to take that pro plan, but I'm broke. Sino, listen. I'm gonna give you guys. Oh my god, the tank. Oh shit, I didn't realize this shit. Now, hold up. I will give you guys like a discount code if it's needed in today's stream. But first, we gotta build this first, okay? Now, let me take a look at this. Guys. So there's supposed to be a map here, right? It does look pretty good on the app itself, but this doesn't really connect. It doesn't really make sense, right? It does not really make sense. So when you're on the flights tab, the flight section, when you press on the search button, I want you to like make a drop down. So you search for the place that you want to go to, and then you give it the airport that you're going to fly from, and then you give it the dates, and then how many passengers, right? So basically like a drop down from the search page. From the search page, what am I saying? Hold up, this thing with the whisper flow. I gotta like copy my shit sometimes. Okay, take a look at this. So basically like a drop down from the search bar, bro. Search bar. That's what I'm trying to say. God damn, that's what I'm trying to say. Oh my god. Oh my days. Mythos basically makes Opus 4.6 look like Human Against God, bro. That's a crazy comparison, Tech. That's a crazy comparison, though. But damn, who treats you better, Last Company or Bloom? Bloom for sure, man. Like, bro, I go on company travels. Company, I mean, they pay for the flights. They pay for my salary, you know, and I can build free apps. Shit, that's a lot of good things working here, you know. All right, thank you. Either way, also Mythos is gonna be the strongest version of Claude ever by crazy amount. That's crazy. That's crazy. I tried it, but it overloads the database network by retrieving everything instead of only what's needed. I mean, you could just tell it to not retrieve what's not needed. Honestly, had the best UIs come from just asking Claude to consult UX researcher and design agents. I mean, shit, I might need to do that myself now, you know. I might need to do that myself now. Why is it taking such a long time though? Is that making a SQL based tool full backend with front end? I mean, listen, user, I'm gonna tell you this right now. You're looking at a guy who hasn't touched coding like ever, you know. But what I do know is that we build full stack native apps. We use Convex for the backend. For the front end, we write code in React Native. I mean, shit, what more can I say though? What more can I say? Like, I'm not that into the space, you know, like the techie space, you know. Appreciate the follow. Does it cost anything to attach the app to App Store after the app is made? I mean, you gotta pay the Apple developer fee, but that's, I mean, you always needed to pay the Apple developer fee if you wanted to publish it to the Apple's, like to the App Store. So yeah, that's a fee on their side, not on our side. But you would need to have like a premium plan, the starter premium plan to actually do it through Bloom itself. Very impressed with the composer from Cursor, to be honest, even if it's fork of Kim 2K. God damn! You guys be talking to me like I'm a techie guy. Like I'm a techie guy. Damn. But yes, nice. I get what you mean. I get what you mean. Now, I kind of like this one. So, I know I should be working on the backend, but I don't think the backend is really that necessary to work on right now. The thing that I need to work on right now is just to finish the front end to make it look nice for the demo, and then afterwards we can work on the backend, you know, the functionalities and shit like that, and then we can go on from there, you know. Nah, you look like you should add an AI buddy that comforts you when you're flying, for people who feel flying. Comforts you. I see what you mean. I see what you mean. What is every tool you use? Every tool I use Bloom.diy and Stitch. Bloom.diy and Stitch. Come on now. Marcel, what up? Welcome. Marcel, were you the guy that said it looked like a Ben 10 app? I can't remember, bro. It's been such a long time since I chatted with people, man. It's been like years, you know. Been like years. I'm not gonna lie. Take a look at the reference picture, image3.png. So I want you to basically be able to press the search bar on the flights section. So when you press the search bar, a drop down appears where you can input all the details that you need to find the next flight. There we go. Everything starts with the back end. If you want a decent build, well, this is gonna be a demo build. It's not really gonna be like a fully released B2B app. So that's all right though. That's all right. What's the best way to test an iOS app? I don't want to use or have access to an iPhone, not Mac. I vibe code. So you don't have an iPhone. And you don't have a Mac. I mean, if you have an Android, you can basically test it out here as well. You can basically test it out here, you know, because it is a full stack app after all, you know. And with the Yeah, hey, Marcelo, that's you, big man. Hey, I still remember you, big man. Hey, we had a blast last time though, right? A blast last time. That was a crazy ass time, you know. Have you tried Google Stitch for designs? You talking about this one? Talking about this one? Is it free to create, sir? Yes, you can try it out for free. Fab City, Joe, Hitch. Who else? Bow. Appreciate all the follows, man. You guys are crazy. Are you better than lovable? Am I better than lovable? I mean, from a content perspective and a live stream perspective, yes, god damn, I am. But is Bloom better than lovable? We create full stack native apps. You can get a phone app. You can get a web app. So yes, I would say that we're better. We also have a built-in backend, the multiplayer feature, the real life sync. So yeah, I would say so. Free versus paid version, different, very big difference. Although I have Stitch in dark mode and didn't recognize it, man, it's all you coders, all you techie people like dark mode, Like, listen, I know it's comfortable, like when you're sitting at night and then it doesn't burn your eyes, but how are you gonna stay awake though? You're tired. You want something that is like bright. You know what I'm saying? What up, Malik? What up? G Tech, preach the follow. What up, Malik? Nah, Rakari, I knew it. What apps you built? Right now I'm building basically a B2B app, but it's for a demo feature. It's a demo app for a feature next week that you guys are gonna see. Hopefully it's gonna look good though. I mean, apart from Syrian, I'm pretty sure I built the most craziest apps on Bloom. But Syrian, bro, he's the co-founder of Bloom, right? And he builds. Oh damn. Okay, it's not so bad. I mean, it's not what I was looking for. You know, it's not what I was looking for. No. Hold up. Let me say what I said about Syrian in a second, because he's a crazy guy. So right now, when you press the search bar, you basically get a pop-up of, you know, all the details. But I want it to be a drop down. So the search is still gonna be working. So you literally search for like a destination, and then in the drop down, there's gonna be like origin, dates, class, shit like that, you know. Oh, not shit. Oh my god, what did I say that? Bro, you froze? Shit, I froze? Man, I'm still here though. Claude that shit. Claude that shit. No. Maybe I should. Only Gemini for like the visuals, right? So this would be like a Opus thing that I would need, you know. I got a girlfriend doing my content. She's better at that stuff, bro. Rakari, bro. Literally, my girl's also doing some content for me, big man. That's such a good way to like really maximize the bank. You know what I'm saying? You should tell her to add some jet emojis or something. Nah. We're gonna wait with that. You know. Gotta add that glass morphic design in navigation panel. I will. I'm in Denmark right now. 12 hours behind the screen day. We need dark mode. No. The lovable stoner. No. Get some coffee in. Get that bright shit on the screen, you know. So for developers, what do you guys use though? Like for engineers and techie people, what do you guys do? Like, do you guys have like a wide screen or like a normal screen? What do you guys have though? Tell me. Please tell me. Which apps are you using to create apps? Bloom.diy. Oh, I gotta appeal to this. Hold up. Listen, sometimes this TikTok AI is going crazy. I'm not gonna lie. This TikTok crazy is going. Yeah. Them mofos have like 4 monitors. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Sino, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I have a big ass ultra wide, and I have 2 screens at the side. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Shit. I'm in Denmark, big man. Now. I should have asked Opus for that. Now, but hold up. Okay, so this is obviously not the best looking, you know, not the best looking. But for the flight details, though, no, it doesn't make sense. This one I need to delete. What am I doing? So we got 2 more app tabs, right? I got the main one over there. Take a look at this. I got the main one here. I got the map tab here, and then I got the profile and voyage. Now the voyage, I think it already looks good enough. I think it looks very good, actually. Very, very good. Let me see. Just Bloom the DIY for everything. How much for paid version? $20, big man. Are you promoting new app? What's Bloom? I'm not promoting anything, big man. I'm showing you guys what I'm gonna do for next week. Apple announced they started rejecting vibe coded apps, not vibe coded apps, vibe coding apps like Bloom.diy. I'm pretty sure. If it's an easy day one screen for games, if it's an easy day, what is it? Hold on, Mark, what are we saying? Are you saying anti-gravity? It's good for you? I mean, anti-gravity is good. Anti-gravity is good, you know, it's decent. It's crazy. It's crazy. Now, no. It needs to be an expansion of that. I like the drop down, but it basically needs to be an expansion. So when you press on the search bar is going to expand down to a drop down where you can paste in your destination, origin, dates, how many people are going to fly, not class. So remove the class with number of people. Now, I don't know how I would describe this though. I'm not too sure how I would describe this. Listen, the reason why we're dropping in views right now is because my internet dropped out for a quick minute. That's the thing about TikTok though. You never listen. That's the thing about TikTok. So whenever it goes like I'm away, people scroll. That's the thing. I gotta get like more stable internet or something, man. God damn. Opus 4.6 is the best for now. I mean, it's the best for sure. But for designing, I would take Gemini all day. You know. What is Stitch project? Stitch is basically where I make the UI UX. After the product is completed, the result is either an APK file or the entire source code. Both. You can get the entire source code. You can convert it to an APK. You can get it on the, you know, as a test flight app, Apple's app store. That's a lot you can do, you know. That's a lot you can do. Stitch is trash, bro. Eric, I think Stitch is amazing, man. I think Stitch is the shit, man. I'm not gonna lie. I love Stitch. Man, Stitch is crazy. It makes better UI than I ever will, you know. That's why I use it. Now, let me drink my water. Because you guys gotta understand this. Whenever my internet drops for a second or I need to appeal for something, the views are gonna drop down. But that's when I have the time to actually like calm down and then rejuvenate or whatever it's called, you know. Okay, there we go. Stitch is linked with Bloom. Looks like the same app. Nah, it's not linked with Bloom, big man. It's not linked with Bloom. Now, let me see what it does. So let me see. Maybe I need to like change the model now to like use Opus instead of Gemini for this specific thing, you know. But we'll see. Because this is not the greatest. But user, bro, I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek. So imagine Stitch, right? We're gonna take a few components from Stitch and then implement it onto Bloom. So it's a whole new concept, but I don't want to say too much. You know. I think Stitch is good. It's good, but personally, anti-gravity works much better for me. God damn, you create your designs on anti-gravity. Whoa, Eric. Whoa, how do you do that shit? Consider Sonnet 4.6 for design, bro. It's better for UI. Better than Gemini? I mean, no, that's not what I'm looking for. No, God. Looks perfect, you know. It looks perfect, and then I will use Opus, okay? Because what I'm thinking right now, God, my views, my heart is dropping right now. You know why? Cause oh my God, yo, I'll be swinging in views due to like the internet, bro. Woo, we gotta fix that. You know. God damn. Now let me Now the thing about this though, God, yo, we just lost like 1 million views, goddamn. But listen, the thing about this though is that I don't want it to look, listen, when you press here, right, it's gonna be hard stock data, which is not nice. And then I want you to search from the search bar, not like a separate not like a separate tab, no, like a pop-up, you know. Doesn't look good, doesn't look great. I gotta fix that. Hold up, I gotta fix that first. I need something that is smooth, something that's crazy, you know. Let's create a Wi-Fi connection app in Bloom to fix that, bro. Listen, bro. I might just need to like move to like another apartment and get better internet. You know, right now my internet is like a thousand, but it goes in and out, bro. It goes in and out. Like that's due to the box, the fiber box or whatever it's called, bro. And I don't got no time to call like the technicians. You know, damn. Hold on, let me take a look at my phone really quick. God damn, listen. Okay, there we go, there we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Appeal not approved. Appeal not. Appeal not approved. Whoa, what's going on? Okay, so let me try and chat it out. Let me try and chat it out because right now it's not what I'm looking for. It's not what I'm looking for. Okay, let me go to Opus and then let me take a screenshot. Screenshot of this too. The search bar drop down is not what I'm visualizing. It's not looking like what I want. So I want you to be able to search your destination, and when you've done, back at it again, the drop down from the search bar is not really what I'm looking for. So I want you to redesign it in another way. So you will be able to search for different locations in the search bar, and when you actually press enter, you're gonna get a drop down of your origin and then the destination and then the dates and travelers. Does that make sense? So you can basically pre-search and then you're gonna get a drop down. Does that make sense? Okay, let's see. God damn, my internet is going great. Whoa. I'm losing viewers by the second. God damn, we gotta fix that. How would I keep the motion going if I don't have people to entertain? What's going on? Oh my days. Hold up. Let me read the work chat while I'm actually looking at this. Okay, I'm back. Hold on. God damn, we're losing motion in chat. What is going on in the chat, everybody? God damn. Anyways, enough with the motion. The only thing that I need to really focus on is just to make this app, It's just to make this app work before the demo next week. Now I want to redesign the AI chat. The AI chat I want redesigned, but I can't do it right now because this needs to work first. So hopefully Opus can do a good job for me because look, got it. Type in search bar, press enter, and then the details drop down appears, right? That's what I'm trying to make. But I'm not sure if I can make it though. I'm not sure because it is not that advanced to make. But sometimes Opus be playing games with me. But we'll see. We'll see. Gotta listen to some other music. Gotta be more hype. Gotta be like, you guys know what equilibrium. This movie with Christian Bale, bro. Equilibrium, whatever it's called, bro. I swear, man, that movie, I gotta watch it, man. Like it's like Matrix kind of vibes, bro. We gotta watch that one. It's crazy ass movie, man. Crazy ass movie. Yo, should add when you pick a flight to show the seats that are taken and the ones that are free. I'm not too sure if we can do that, big man. Now the thing about this though, I'm not too sure if Duffel. Yeah, that was, because the reason is, bro, I can literally not my internet drops in and out. So when it drops, people are gonna scroll, so that's literally why. So yeah, that's why. Now let me see if it works though. Let me see. God damn, I might need to do a quick restart because this is crazy. I can't even appeal. Look, everybody in the chat, I can't even appeal to my suspension on the gift. We gotta fix that. Now first before we do that, let me just redesign the UI and afterwards we can think about it. Okay, I mean, this is taking a bit too low. Okay, taking a bit too low. Now, do I reload it? Yeah, I reloaded. Okay, give me like 2 minutes and we're able to preview it. Yes, I am Vietnamese, but your boy is living in Denmark. I was just in Vietnam for 2 months vacation, So enjoy my time, the start of the year in Vietnam. Now I'm back in Denmark, back in the cold. But yeah, we survive, we survive. Now hold up. So if I search for like Vietnam, okay. Ooh, Okay, that's not so bad though. That's not so bad. That's not so bad. Yes, I cannot read it though. I cannot read it, but I can speak a little bit of Vietnamese, you know. Okay, okay, I like it. I like it. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one. I kind of like it. I kind of like it. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of like it. So, I mean, I don't need the Voyager Elite. I just need this thing right here, and then we can do a better navigation bar, right? Take a look at the chat app tab. I want you to redesign it to look like the reference image. There we go. 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 Hold up. Hold up. There we go. There we go. I just need to do a bit of redesign, and then we can work on the back and all the functionalities, all the shit. Yo, Sino, you still in the chat, big man? You still in the chat? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know, because I want to tell you something. I want to tell you something. So you see how we went from like 18 or 17 to like 29 now, okay? So in a second, if my internet doesn't drop out and we keep it good for like 10 minutes, I'm gonna go up again to like 50, you know? So you'll see it kind of fluctuates when my internet goes to like a monkey, you know, like a monkey, bro. You know what I mean, right? God damn, I know like my vocabulary sometimes, oh, shit doesn't work. Now, let me take a look at the profile tab, okay? Because, I mean, the passport and documents, is that necessary to add? Yeah, I think it's kind of necessary. I mean, hopefully, it's all good though. It's all good. I mean, we keep the motion going though. Nonetheless, we keep the motion going, and I just gotta fix my internet, you know. But that's all good. That's all good. Now, I mean, you got the profile here. I like it. I kind of like it. The passport and documents, I like it too. Preferences. Now, for the preferences, I'm not too sure how that would work with the Duffel API though. I'm not too sure, but we'll see. We'll see what we can do. We'll see what we can do. Which app am I using for designing, brother? I'm using Stitch, baby. I'm using Stitch by Google. Amazing tool. And then I built the full stack native app on Bloom.diy. And yes, Bloom is gonna have like a little component from Stitch, which is gonna make it look amazing. A whole new concept to vibe coding itself. But a lot of people aren't ready for that yet. Now, am I shilling Bloom a little bit? I mean, I don't think I'm shilling it too much. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm not even shilling Bloom to the point that it needs to be shilled at. Like, this is like the minimum. You guys know what I'm saying? You guys know what I'm saying, right? Come on now. Now, this the thing about Gemini, even though it's such a nice model, such a nice designing model, right? The problem with it is it doesn't give me like it doesn't let me know what it's thinking. It doesn't let me know what it's coding. So we need to wait. We actually need to wait. Like right now, it seems like it's stuck, but it's not stuck. You know, it's not stuck. What exactly is Stitch? Do I need it when making an app on Bloom? No, you don't need it, Ecom. Stitch is just a designing tool to make UI UX. So you make the front end, you make the design, and then you make so UI is for design, right? And UX is basically how the customer journey is, like their experience with it, you know. So that's what I make on Stitch, because it's simply the best designing tool ever, you know. Oh, it's like ChatGPT, but what it can do, bro, and what do they focus on Bloom? Nah, I mean, like Stitch or Bloom, we build full stack native apps, and we have our own AI agent, and you can use different models to then build your app, right? Villain, appreciate the follow. Villain, appreciate the follow. You guys are crazy. ChatGPT's ass. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Codex, bro. Like GPT 5.4. That's pretty decent. That's pretty decent on here, you know. But that's because it's cheap. But it's good at planning. It's good at planning, but the design is the kind of like monkey looking, you know. Like wow, monkey looking. Science UI not that great. Child of Sumal. I appreciate the follow. You guys are ridiculous today. Is Claude better? In my opinion, Claude is amazing. Regulated goods and services? What? Hold up. We gotta appeal for that. Hold up. Submitting. Damn, we're not even doing anything right now. Where you from, big man? I am from Denmark. I'm from Denmark. What up? What up, Julius? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Young Kyle, what up, big man? What up? What up? What up? Now we got a little bit of a restriction going on. Okay, we got a little bit of a restriction, and I think that's not fair, you know. So hopefully the support is gonna take a look at it, and then we'll go from there. Now, is it stuck? Is it stuck? Gemini? Continue with the redesign of the chat app tab to look like the reference image. So let me just go to files and then this one. Hold up. Was it stuck? Hold up. Maybe it was stuck. Maybe it was stuck, you know? Cool. What up? What up, young? What up? Yo, Dino. What up, big man? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Did you say stage? I said stitch. Stitch. Can you speak Vietnamese? Tôi biết nói một tiếng mà tôi là người Đan mà. So not a lot, you know, not a lot. I'm still waiting for a reply from Bloom, big man. I replied to you, big man. I replied to you on the support chat. Can you make an app with a dino? With a dino? For sure. Dinosaur? For sure we can. For sure we can. Stitch by Bloom. No, Stitch by Google, big man. Stitch by Google. Ang, I appreciate the follow. I appreciate the follow. Now, you guys are crazy. You guys are crazy. How to design like that with Stitch? Big man, very easy. You prompt it whatever you have on your mind, and that's it. Prompt it whatever you have in your mind, right? Now, I want to finish this one, but the thing is, Stitch is kind of slow right now. No, I mean, like, Gemini is kind of slow right now, right? It's kind of slow. It's kind of looking ugly too. It's kind of looking ugly. How many lighting are there? What are you talking about lighting, bro? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? You tell me. You tell me. Thank you, but of course, I got you. I got you. Now, you mean like lighting, like the lights around my PC, or like the lights on my like from the window? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Yeah, I might be tripping right now. I might be tripping right now. But I'm not gonna lie, guys. I think this whole new layout is kind of looking amazing. I know I should utilize this space that I have right here, right, for like some other things. But nah, not really. Your video looks cinematic and cool. Oh, I appreciate that. But big man, I'm gonna tell you this right now. Open your mind, bro. My lighting is like amateur as hell. I got like a you know those IKEA lamps? Those IKEA lamps where you have your phone inside or whatever? One is there. And then I get like some nice background lighting from the window. That's literally it, you know. Open-minded. You guys are tripping today, man. Come on now. Had to up my TikTok. Oh, Ricardo, what are you talking about? What are we talking about? Quantum, appreciate the follow. Quantum Franklin, appreciate the follow. How long do you need to build an app? I mean, how much time? The time depends, big man. It could take you 2 hours. It could take you 10 hours. It depends on what you want to build, though. It depends. What camera was used? The Sony CV1. It's the best tool, bro. Not the best vlogging camera in my opinion. It's not bulky, great quality. It's not too small. It's not too big. You know, it works. It works. I'm not trying to be racist or anything, but do people from Norway, Sweden, Finland speak the same language? Nah, they don't. So in Denmark, we speak Danish, Norway, Norwegian, Sweden, Swedish, Finland, Finnish. But it's very similar. But no, not Finnish, bro. Finnish does not sound similar at all. But basically, Norway, Sweden, Denmark sounds the same, bro. Sounds the same. Not gonna lie. Just use webcraft.dev store. It makes a fully functional backend, etc. Man, are you an advocate for webcraft? I'm not gonna lie, bro. You guys are behind. Like you guys might be behind. But hey, the advocates are in my chat again. God damn. I tried Java coding 25 years ago and I failed because I was struggling. Oh my day. Yangs. Are you serious? Nah. 25 years ago? Nah. Me. Appreciate the follow. Appreciate the follow. Yang, are you serious, bro? You must be tripping me, bro. You don't look like a day older than 30, bro. Like, stop with that cap, Yang. You're 46, man. You don't look like you're 46, Yang. Now you gotta stop the cap, bro. I see your little picture there. I see your little thing, bro. You ain't 46, man. Come on now. You ain't no 46. Come on now. Come on now, bro. Man, but it doesn't matter if you were Asian, bro. You don't look like you're freaking 46, man. Like, there's a difference. There's a difference between being Asian and not the Ration that ain't raisin, you know. Like, god damn, bro. You you're looking like you're thinking like 20 or 30, bro. Damn. God damn. Okay, anyways, what is going on with Gemini right now? Why is Gemini taking such a long time? What? Let me think about this though. Hold up. So Gemini is kind of stuck. It is dead as stuck. I'm not gonna lie. It edited the file. Okay, congratulations. But it does look like the reference image. What's going on? Of course, villain. Enjoy your day. What's going on here? Hold up. Let me just use Opus for this. Let me just use Opus because now I'm gonna waste my time with this. Deploying changes? What? This is crazy. Yo, bro, can you help me? I have an app idea for sure. Virtual. What do you want to build? I can potentially tell you about like how to build it, but tell me. Yang, I appreciate the follow, man. Do you use a cursor anti-gravity for your project? No, I don't. I don't use cursor anti-gravity for my project. I use the AI agent inside of Loom, and then I use the different models. That's what I do, big man. That's what I do. Okay, so I mean, it doesn't look. Listen. It doesn't look like the reference picture at all. So let me just use Opus instead, cause wow, it does not look like it. Let me go back. File, image, boom. The chat section, I want it to look like the reference image. Can you make it similar to the reference image? There we go. Bro, anti-gravity plus cloud code like butter on bread. That's crazy, big man. That's crazy. Now I know anti-gravity is like is king. But luckily that's only for technical people. That's a good thing, you know? That's a good thing. Because for non-techies like me, that's gonna be a bit harder, you know? That's gonna be a bit harder. Now, maybe I should redesign the app tab to look like something else, you know? Like, I'm not too sure about this one. Now, hold up. Let me just remove the text here. Maybe the text is gonna it's gonna be like, it's gonna blocking the view and everything, you know? So let me just delete that one. Boom. There you go. Now, hold up. Now, let me see. A premium concierge. How do you pronounce this though? Like, I'm not a native speaker, right? So I would need to learn how to actually pronounce a few words. Pronunciation. Okay, whatever. Concierge. Not concierge? Damn, I didn't even know that. Shit. Oh, that is fast coding. Hold up, Yang. What are we talking about? Like Claude and anti-gravity? Or are you talking about Bloom itself? What are we talking about right now? I'm excited to make my app. I know it will make good money. Ecom, bro. If you wanna get a bit of discount, let me know. Like 50% off. Let me know. Cause hey, we are starting the stream right now, so I might as well give out some freebies to the people in the chat. Guys, that's for the love of the people, you know. That's what we do. Okay. Let me see. Free food? I mean, one day. Listen, what if Bloom gets like a huge spike in revenue, and then there's free food for everybody in the office? Hey, and also the employees. Hey, come on now. Like, I'm remote. Food for free, who knows? How to get clients? I'm very frustrated about it. I mean, what do you mean? What kind of clients are you trying to get? What are you building, big man? Open your mind. You gotta tell me about it, and then I can potentially give you like a few tips and tricks, you know, because I am getting clients for Bloom itself and for myself. So, you know, a bit of tips and tricks. Hopefully my appeal is gonna go away because we're not advertising anything. We be building mobile apps and designing on stage. That's not what we do, you know. What do you recommend for starting out? Did one prompt on Bloom, then ran out of credits? That's because you're on the free version. The free version is just it's just for testing it out. But I would recommend you to basically give it all your features, right? The core features of the app that you want to build, such as like 3 core features. You mention it in the chat, and then you tell it to build the app. And afterwards, you can add all the APIs, all the AIs, and you could go on from there and then redesign it afterwards. That's what I would do. Will there ever be an app that predicts one's next step in the future? I mean, that's gonna be a crazy ass app though, right? I mean, could we build it? Could we build it? We could, you know. Promotion and an ex Twitter account. It depends what he's building. It depends, because I don't even know what Open Your Mind is building right now. I don't even know what the guy's building. Damn. Okay, let me take a look. Let me take a look at this. What? So, doesn't look that great. In the chat app section, the nav bar is overlapping with the chat button, and the chat button is literally put too much upwards. It looks so awkward. Can we please fix the design here and make it look more luxurious, more clean, more like a premium styled app? There we go. There we go. I do the problems one by one. First UI, UX, and features, APIs, etc. It does it more. Yeah, I mean, I like it that way. I like it that way for sure. Can you build a classified app / website? I mean, classified in what way though? You probably can, but in one way though. Tango, appreciate the follow. Hey, Tango, Jackson, whatever your guys' name is, I appreciate everybody here. How's it going, Danny? I'm back, big man. How's it going? It's going good. How you been doing? How you been doing? Come on now, give me tips for getting clients, big man. What do you work as? Like, what do you work at? Like, as? Do you have a company? Do you have, like, what do you do? You didn't tell me. Then I can give you some tips. You should hire a dev and have them sign an NDA. God damn, okay. Hire a dev when you got the money for it. If you don't got the money for it, don't hire a dev. Waste of time. I've been doing good, man. I just need some work to do. Hold up, C. Is that you, Twinaman? Is that you? Bro, it's been 7 days, 8 days since I streamed. I cannot remember people from my chat like that, okay? Shit! What? Hey, and I appreciate the follow. Hey, and I appreciate that. Now that's crazy, twin. That's crazy. How you doing, bro? What time is it for you there? You have a meal already? No. Brereton, bro. I'm back in Denmark. I haven't had a meal yet. I literally started building now. And the time is literally 11 a.m. right now. 11 a.m. in Denmark. Yeah, if you don't have money, don't hire a dev, but he's making a classified app. I wouldn't use AI. A classified app. I don't even know what that classified app would be though. Damn. That's a crazy ass app. Rod, I appreciate the follow. God damn, everybody here be like, ooh, we having a crazy ass time today. Dang, Denmark be expensive. Denmark is very expensive. It's not, I mean, I wouldn't say, I mean, it's actually insanely expensive, okay? But the thing about this though, the salaries are kind of, it's matched for how expensive the country is, but it's only matched like for living, for having a bit of fun time. It's not like you can enjoy every single month like that, you know. But it depends on what you work as, you know. It depends. Nana, appreciate the follow. What version of Bloom are you using? Version, big man? What are you talking about, version? Ecom, what are you talking about, big man? A classified website is a website like a marketplace where people can sell and buy things and chat. I mean, if you don't want it known for the public, you can deadass just make it here, right? And then you put a domain on it, and then you only give like a login to specific people. I mean, that's something you could do too, you know. That's something you could do too. But you tell me, can I use AI in programming? Of course you can. Of course you can. Nah, this guy, Twin him on, bro. He be thinking some crazy ass shit in the chat, man. Come on now, Twin. What are you saying, man? Man, you be thinking about the wrong thing. Okay, this looks so ugly, bro. Oh, we gotta fix this, bro. We gotta fix this. Now, I will tell you about this though. Bro's back from Vietnam. Yes, I am, Mitch. Now I will tell you this though. You can create like a classified site, right? And then give like some permission to other people. But I mean, that would be pretty easy to do, right? You tell me. you tell me, man. Damn. What paid version are you using? Like free version, pro version? I'm using the pro version because I'm working for Bloom Econ. I'm the guy behind the marketing on Bloom, so that's why it's free for me, you know. But the pro version I'm on right now. Isn't this the same as Lovable? Lovable, they create web apps. We create full stack native apps. Now, Mickey, bro, you've been here before though. So why would you ask the same question? Why would you ask that question when you've been here before? I'm pretty sure you've been here before. I'm pretty sure. How do you use iPhone on PC? I mean, I'm not using my iPhone on PC, but I can use my iPhone on PC if I need to. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I got another guy named Mikey or Mickey constantly asking me about, is Bloom out on Steam or something? So, am I sure? Maybe 50% now that you say that shit. I'm gonna go to uni in Switzerland. Bro, Switzerland, bro. You know how expensive that shit is? You know how expensive that shit is, bro? That shit is expensive, bro. Like a meal over there, bro. It's like, oh my days, bro. It's hella expensive, man. Like, listen, when I'm visiting the Zurich, when I'm visiting Zurich, like for the office, oh my days, that shit is expensive, man. Bro, $10, bro. Listen, when I was in Vietnam, right? I was like a whole menu, 2 whole menus, bro, was $10. Zurich, a burger is $10, bro. Like, damn. Shit, you guys don't even understand it, bro. Ooh, damn. I want to make an app on iPhone. How can I do this? Big man, you go to Bloom the DIY and then you build it here. Yeah, it is seriously expensive, man. It is, oh my days. It is crazy. This is so ugly. This is so ugly. Oh my days. This is looking very ugly. If you take a look at it, the navigation bar is underneath the chat. But the chat section is above the navigation bar. How can we make it more? How can we make it better? Because I want the chat section to be at the bottom. But what about the navigation bar? Right now it looks so ugly. Like fix it, please. Find a way, make it more premium, make it interactive and dynamic. We can even think of a interactive feature here. So when you go to the chat, right, you can chat with the AI, and then to the left side or something, there's a little button where you can press, and when you press that button, the navigation bar pops up. Like, what about that? That would be a cool feature. Can you program to slide it to the right? Or yes, I can, Yang. For sure. Really, I should. I mean, that's what I'm thinking though, Twinamon. That's what I'm thinking though. Is the app you're building right now some sort of flight booking app? It's basically a B2B app where you can book flights for your whole team, or for the individual employee, or the founder can book for you or whatever, So yeah. Appeal not approved. I wasn't, damn, so basically like a B2B app. I wasn't, damn, TikTok be kind of heavy on this. TikTok be kind of heavy on this restriction. I'm not gonna lie. Damn. Yeah, and listen, everybody in the chat, and Twinamon, the reason why I'm building this app right now, basically like Travel Perk, you can basically manage everything in one app for your whole team to then travel, right? The reason I'm building that is because it's for a demo app for the next feature launch video next week, feature release video next week, Now I know, but I'm planning to change the navigation bar to something else, not something from Stitch either. So hey, chill. Open your mind and din, bro. Open your mind. Did you ever say what you were building, bro? Because you wanted advice, but did you ever say what you did? Let me take a quick look at the chat. Nope. You didn't. Come on now. Malik, I appreciate the follow. You guys are ridiculous today. X, you too. Now what's going on though? Osama, tech startup, man. Hey, what up? You guys are crazy today. What's going on with the spree of following, man? You guys are ridiculous. What's happening with Apple banning vibe coded apps created within another app? I mean, Apple, they didn't ban vibe coded apps. They're banning vibe coding apps. Big difference, big difference. Khalil, what up? But yeah, it's so weird because they didn't want non-technical people to actually be able to build apps and then publish it, which is a major loss for them. That's why Android is gonna be a very, very good It's gonna come up there for sure now. It's gonna come up for sure. What up, Khalil? Hey, we back home now. You know, we back home now. Sid, appreciate the follow. I need to go out for the toilet really quick. 2 seconds. Hey, what up? What up? Hey, we back though. We back. What up? What up? What up? I got my home clothes on. I got everything on. You know what's good? What's good? Bro, how was Vietnam? Vietnam was amazing. Vietnam was like, ooh, top tier country, man. I loved it, bro. Listen, everybody be talking about, oh man, it's like extreme socialism and all that shit. I'm not gonna lie, bro. When you go and experience like everything down there, the community, the cheapness of it, you know. Ooh, amazing, amazing, amazing. Will Bloom not work on iPhone? Will Bloom not work iPhone users the app? No. We will work on iPhone. I mean, we're gonna use the test flight for that, but it's gonna be kind of hard to like actually like publish a vibe coding tool on the App Store. But you can still use test flight and you can still preview your apps on your iPhone. That's gonna be easy. I imagine Google is gonna ban them off the App Store as well. I don't think so, man. I don't think so. Apple, I mean, from the Play Store potentially, but as an APK, nah. APK, that's gonna be that's easier as well, you know. So if we can't do it on the Play Store, we're gonna do it as an APK. That's gonna be another way, you know. That's why Android is literally the best right now. Like in my opinion, I'm not gonna lie. In my opinion, you know. I also vibe code. That's crazy, Sid. That's crazy, big man. What up? What's AI? Man, AI is like the future, man. That's what AI is, you know. Using Gemini CLI, that's crazy. Not gonna lie, Tim Cook didn't cook with the vibe coding apps, man. Nah, that was kind of stupid. That was kind of stupid though, because you're basically limiting. You're basically saying that non-technical people cannot be founders and actually release apps. That's ridiculous. So even if you release AI slop, does that really matter? Can you not be a founder? That's a stupid decision. I'm not gonna lie, stupid decision. Oh yeah, for sure. But offloading apps onto your phone is not something most people know how to do. Now we're gonna make it possible to do. We're gonna make it as easy for the people to build here. We're gonna make it as like so easy that people won't even need to like read like a document on how to do things. Okay, besides, well, they do need to like, for the App Store, I mean, they do need images and all that shit, but that's gonna be we're gonna make it possible too here within Bloom itself, like Rourke and Replit did. Rourke? Did Rourke do it? Yeah, Rourke, they made it possible with the Apple shit, right? Nah. The APK is gonna be super easy. We're gonna have a link. We're gonna have a link literally on Bloom, and then people just download it. That's literally it. I mean, they download the APK, they go to files, they open it. That's it. That's it. You know, that's gonna be super easy as well. But we'll see though. We'll see what we can do, guys. Wow, some fun decisions going around with Apple, you know. But Android, hopefully not. We'll see though. We'll see. What AI tool is this? This is Bloom.diy, and this is Stitch. 2 tools, baby. 2 tools. Using it right now to build full stack native apps for a demo next week. Which is gonna, hopefully it's gonna go crazy. Hopefully. I heard Google wants to make Android harder to install non-Play Store apps. Nah, we'll see. It's APK it's kind of a big deal, so I'm not too sure, big man. Bill Gap, appreciate the follow. What's Stitch for? Khalil, you already know what Stitch is for. Khalil, you've been here before. You already know we use it for designing, big man. Do you know any app I can connect my GitHub repo and remotely update my web app remotely using my... I mean, think about this though. If you build it on Bloom yourself, you can then connect it to, you know, a new GitHub repo, and then you could basically use Cursor or whatever, right? But right now, it's kind of hard to do. But if you want to build your app here on Bloom itself, you can use your phone and then actually edit it. Let me show you in a second. Let me show you. I can't believe I'm working on a freaking weekend, guys. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. That's how you do it, Sid. That's how you do it through your phone, you know? Like from your phone, you know? Why don't I have the GitHub repo thing? You do have the GitHub repo, bro. It's right here. It's right here. It's the cat, and then you just, you know, boom. That's it, big man. That's it. Brother, TikTok won't let me post a comment. What are you talking about, T? What are you talking about? Bloom.diy, big man said that's the name. That's the name. That's the domain. That's the everything. That's the everything you guys need, you know? If it's code, use Google Jules. What the freak is Google Jules, man? I got no idea what Google Jules is. Bro, Android not gonna ban vibe coding apps because Android is owned by Google and Google helps vibe coders. That's true. That's true. That's true. That's true. Bow, Jojo, I appreciate the follows. You guys are crazy. You guys are crazy. Now, Stinch, what are we saying 100? What are we saying 100 true right now? What are we saying 100 true? Guys, hey, damn, yo, listen, my brain is fried. My brain is hella fried right now. Listen, I've been streaming for how long now? Let me take a look. For nearly 2 hours. Right? Nearly 2 hours. And 2 hours is a pretty long ass time, you know? Yo, Long, I appreciate the follow. I appreciate that. Bow, Jojo, Long, you guys are crazy. Google Jules AI connects to your repo and does changes within your repo. Damn. Damn. Yo, G4, appreciate the follow. Damn, I didn't know that. I didn't know that. That's crazy. That's crazy. Nah, hold up. Let me, damn, guys, I'm about to go to sleep. Man. Okay, let me think. This is taking quite a long time. I don't understand it, though. So, I wanna hide the navigation bar, right? I wanna hide the navigation bar. And I wanna add a small button to the sides in the chat. But, it's literally thinking right now. So, I did choose, listen, I know I chose Opus 4.6 on the max, okay? On the max thinking, I know I did it. I know. But this is kind of, come on now, like goddamn, you know. I still on vacation. No, Wilbur, this is my home. This is my office, you know. I need to work on my app design skills. Crazy. Damn, bro. New angle, yes. New angle back home in Denmark. Yes, sir. Give me credits, bro. That's the thing about people nowadays. You guys be saying, give me credits now. Give me this shit now. Give me this shit later. Where's the please? You ain't gonna get no credits, Benman. Come on now, Benman. We gotta have a bit of, we gotta be, you know, like elegant in the chat. You know what I'm saying? Come on, we gotta be formal in the chat, man. Come on now. You know what I mean. Cloud code already does that though. Hold on, what are we talking about right now? Like the phone shit? The phone shit? For sure. Cause I added bro. Bro's like, nah, Benman. Hey man, you're talking roadman, bro. What are you talking about? Like, man, there ain't no please, bro. There ain't no please. Damn. Okay, listen, I might give you free credits. You're looking good, bro. I appreciate that, Dakin. I appreciate that. You too, man. You too. Let me take a good look at that. Hey, you too, big man. Even though you use a big ass filter on your head, big man, but hey, that's good though. You still look good, big man. What up? Great, appreciate the follow. Now, Dakin. Now, Benman, what's your email? I might give you some free credits. Who knows? Tell me. Nah, you guys don't understand this. I'm gonna tell you guys right now. I sat on a wooden chair in Denmark, right? But now I'm back to this beautiful IKEA chair. This kind of ergonomic shit. Love it, you know, love it. What the freak does OMD mean, bro? On my days? I don't even know, goddamn. What website is that? Is it free? Yes, it's free to test out, big man. It's free to test out. Let's get that free credit. I need to work on some more. I'm gonna change from Claude Plan, man. Oh shit, Max, hit me up with your email. Please. In the DMs. DM me and please don't type like something like hi. Just give me your email. That's it. Thank you. Yo, ain't no way I'm sending my shit here. Look, damn man, what are you talking about, Benman? I mean, listen. Why wouldn't you send your shit here? My email. Listen, I'm gonna send my email all day, man. People ain't gonna do shit, you know? On my days? Oh shit, is that what it means? God damn, bro, I'm too old for that shit. Zeno, bro, you're like still young, bro. I'm turning into an unk. I am literally an unk, bro. You don't understand. I'm literally unk. So yeah. Hello, my mentor. I would like you to help me develop an application that allows you to be a blood donor and find centers that have the ability to give. Berku, you can build it here. It's very easy, Berku. You can build it here though, but it's very easy to do, big man. It's very easy to do. Now I'm gonna tell you guys. Hold on, let me take a. I appreciate the gift from before. Yo, G4, I appreciate the gift from before. God damn, I thought I was suspended from the life, but I'm not. Hey, that's crazy. How about the backend? We use Convex, built-in backend for every single app created on Bloom using Convex. So like a live backend, you know. Hey, Don, do you speak Danish fully? Big man, jeg er født i Danmark. Jeg er født i Danmark, bro. Jeg boet som 17-årig, og nu er jeg her. How can you help me this very important? How can you help me this very important for me? You can get on Bloom yourself, and then you can actually build it. But please, hey, keep it. Hey, English in the chat. No, Maximilian, whatever your name is, man. Keep it like a bug in the chat. Keep it English. Keep it English. You know, like I need English in the chat so that I can actually speak to the English audience. If I only speak Danish, bro, small audience, nobody's gonna watch me. Shit, no money to be made, you know, no money to be made. Clips for you, appreciate the follow. Hey man, can you tell me the reason you choose Convex instead of Superbase? Yes, actually, yes. So think about this. We code with React Native, right? React Native, TypeScript, shit like that. And that's so much easier to like connect. So that's literally why we use Convex. Also because Convex is so much easier to build a built-in backend with Convex than it is with Superbase. So that's why we did it. Send it you? Nah, Brandman, man. Send it in the chat, big man. What do you mean? What do you mean? Send it in the chat. Come on now. Come on now. You already know what. Listen, come on now. Send it in the chat. And then I will potentially like send you some credits, okay? Who's gonna send you an email? Who in this chat is gonna send you an email, Brandman? Come on now. Okay, hold up. I need to chill now. I need to take a look at the app. Now, enough talk here. Okay, let me actually get into this this app building, because now I'm not even building apps when I should be building apps. Move the navigation button further up so it doesn't overlap with the messages. Man, this guy Sino recording the chat saying they will email you, man. Come on now, slap it with the bum, man. What do you mean by that? Yes, I will check it out, Benman. I got you. I will check it out. I will use Stitch to structure my app well. Yes, use Stitch, amazing tool to build the UI UX, especially UX, man. This shit right here, there's no other tool like this. I mean, Figma. I mean, Figma is alright though. Figma is alright though. It's not the best, you know. It's not the best. In my opinion, Stitch is amazing, but some people will disagree with me, some will not, you know, so we'll see. Now, I need to take a screenshot of this. So we got the name, we got everything. I mean, I'm not the biggest fan of this profile, you know, tab, but hey, let's take a look at it though. Let's take a look at it. I'm back. If you said anything too, I missed it. Hey, that's all good, twin. I didn't. What if I'm sending my email here? You're gonna give me unlimited credits? Man, you ain't gonna get no unlimited credits, man. I'm gonna check the DM, man. In Stitch, how do you manage to make all these screen consistent? You tell the AI to make it consistent, and then you also show them, you know, you press on it, and then you can actually reference it. That's what you do. How does Vincent, what are you talking about? Vincent Riga. Big man, what are you talking about right now? I'm not too sure I get what you mean. What agent does your platform use? We have our own agent, and then you can use different models. So yeah, that's what we do. That's what we have on the side, you know. I need to listen to some 20s music, like some 1920 or something, like I know, like some 2000s music, Eclipso. Let's have this shit on repeat. Let's have something like some disco 2000s dark kind of edgy vibe music, bro. That's what we're gonna have in the stream today, bro. Today, man. Come on now. What agent does your platform use? Oh, I read the same comment. Ooh, I need to go to sleep. My guy, setup looks clean. I appreciate it. 1,000, bro. You don't understand, man. I haven't even shown you the full setup. I got the ultra wide here. I got another monitor here, and I got another monitor here. Kind of overkill. But now that I'm working on content 24/7 and I'm working on, you know, streaming 24/7, it's kind of decent enough, you know. It's kind of decent. It's kind of decent. All right, I won't say the website, but you know what I'm talking about. I have developed an iPhone app. It depends. There's so many iPhone apps. There's Replit, there's Work, there's Vibe Code, there's Bolt. There's a lot, man. There's a lot. But the thing is, they're expensive. They don't have a live backend, and yeah, shit like that is not good, you know. What does that mean, Zeno? Daddy, rate my. What does YWY mean, bro? What? Shit, man. I'm too old for this shit, man. I'm Sino, bro. Speak to me like I'm an oldie, bro. Is Boom available on the Play Store very soon? It will be, thousand. We're gonna launch on the Android very soon. Check out my web app. There's an error. I don't know if you can help me on it. No, I cannot. I cannot. 4 screens is minimal. I mean, if you count both my phones, right? Both my phones, and then my and then my dummy phone. Okay, I got a lot of shit. Okay, okay, come on now. Connected to all the API of my website, but after 27 build, it won't even run on the iPhone. Whoa, where did you build it on, Vincent? What did you build it on again? Tell me. Better, I guess. Nah, bro, I'm not even using all my phones, you know? I'm not even using all my phones. Now, let me take a look at this. I mean, I don't dislike it. I don't dislike it. I need to add the icons, obviously, but I don't dislike it. I kind of like it. Okay, never mind. I really like the navigation animation where you press the navigation button, but can you place it further down below so it doesn't actually like go too much upwards? Danny, you're Asian, right? Man, of course I'm Asian. See, man, come on now, twin. What do you mean, twin, man? Of course I'm Asian, man. Come on now. That's why I'm so sexy, you know? Really, bro, I asked for sample project links and you went silent? Oh, shit, I went silent? Well, damn. I've been on vacation. If you want it now, I'll potentially send it, but we'll see, though. We'll see. Inspect, but there's an error. No. I will not check it out. No, sit. No, not in today's stream, big man. Not in today's stream. No, not today. Not today. What do you think of the Philippines? I was thinking about maybe moving there in some years. Some years, bro. You're already living in the Philippines, bro. What are you talking about? Twin, where else do you live, bro? Where else do you live? Tell me where you live first, and then I will give you my answer. Because that, bro, I always thought you were in the Philippines, though. It makes no sense. No, don't private message me, Sid. No, don't do that. Don't do that, Sid. No. Spent ages avoiding AI in my code until I started working on an app. I have one open all the time now. Carl, bro, that's shit. I mean, that's how life is, you know. Shit, that's how life is, you know. I'm Romanian. Oh my god, that's true, twin. It's the other guy that's Filipino. I forgot it again, twin. Twinaman, bro. The reason why I'm calling him Twinaman is because his name is literally Twinaman, but he changed it back to some random ass name. I don't know why, but still. Nah, the thing is though, Romania, the thing is though, I mean, the Philippines is very nice, but it's the most hectic country in Southeast Asia. So if you're down for that, for the hecticness, then you can do it. But food is amazing, food is mediocre, but the beaches, bro, the beaches, activities, the friendliness of people are amazing, bro. I love it down there, but it is hot as hell. It is hot as hell. Okay. So that's the thing. Nah, Ben, bro, that's because its name is that. Damn. He's gonna steal your shit, man. This guy's crazy, bro. This guy's crazy. I've been debugging the error for a while now using Gemini CLI. That's good, big man. That's good. Okay, this is good. This is kind of good. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay. Actually, for the navigation bar, is it possible to just make it a button on each app tab that you can press, just like the thing that you do on the chat section? Because I really like the cleanliness of that. Ooh, okay. Romania isn't doing too well, and I thought to move to the Philippines where I have some mates already. Maybe we should, big man. I mean, Philippines is not the cheapest. It's not the cheapest, big man, but it is in the middle. It's in the middle, but it's not the cheapest, but it's very good, big man. It's very good. Do it, big man. Do it. And it's very cheap. It's relatively cheap to live there as well, like apartment wise, you know. Gemini has been my crutch. Damn, you guys are ridiculous, man. You guys are crazy. Rabbit, Quibina, Creeper, Olucio, You guys are crazy. I appreciate everybody following me in this chat, man. You guys are crazy. I was doing a live stream about me testing a malware on a virtual machine, but total views are 800. I wish I had many views like you. No, Jay, listen. What kind of content are you making though? I mean, it depends on how you get the views though. Let me tell you that. Romania crazy. The freak does RB mean, bro? Man, Zito, bro, I told you to speak to me like I'm an unk. Oh, right now. Oh, I see. Right now, I see. Thanks for the insight. I'll probably get to Philippines in the next 2 to 3 years after I finish school. Big man, maybe we're gonna meet up one day. I'm gonna be living in Vietnam one day for sure as well. For sure, one day. You know. How do you turn these into stitch into something real? You talking about this? This is what I do, bro. This is what I do. Listen. I take a screenshot here. I put it onto Bloom. And we are going to make it possible for it to read HTML shit. Very soon, okay? Very soon. Every time you say big man, I think it's me, man. Ben man and big man, that's... you crazy. Unk. Wow. Is this the best site for AI coding? In my opinion, this is the best site to build full stack native apps. You can publish it, you can put a paywall behind it very soon, and then boom, make a lot of money. Oh, you're Vietnamese? Yes, I am Vietnamese. I was born in Denmark though, so you know, but my roots are Vietnamese. I'm the big man in the chat here. Hey, who knows though? Who knows? Maybe. Hey, come on now. Now, you guys know when you speak too much like other people and just speak a lot in general, right? You get that kind of slimy feeling in your throat because you're literally producing slime because your throat is getting dry. You know what I'm talking about right now? Man, that's what happens when you don't drink enough water and you speak too much. What up, Stacy? What up? Bro, why is your name that though? Why is your name that? I cannot see your name. You got like a semicolon, bro. Like, you gotta change to Stacy, bro. What up? Bloom better than of Android Studio. I think Android Studio is a very good competitor, but they don't have a built-in backend. And what else? They don't have the multiplayer feature. They don't have the real-time sync with, you know, with the other people as well. So that's what I would say. You know, that's why I would say that we are better right now. Bloom.diy, big man. That's the website that I'm using right now. That's the website. Come on now. No, hold up. So I need to redesign. Listen, I didn't do it, but I need to redesign the profile app tab to look like this, okay? And I haven't done it yet. I have not done it yet. We'll see. Damn, everybody be like, listen, I might not have a lot of motion, but I do have a bit of motion in the chat. We love it. That's crazy. You know, the first stream since I returned. This is crazy. There's a site called Bloom Chat. Is this the same? No, it's not. Bloom.diy. That's our app. Yeah, Bloom is hey, crazy. Yo, do I have to pay for Bloom? I want to make an app too right now. Yes, you do, Stacy. If you want to make something that's really good, you gotta pay for it. But I can give you like 50% off if you want me to. But tell me, you know. It's not so bad. God damn, it's not so bad. Take a look at this shit. So this is basically the navigation bar, right? It's a new concept. I'm a fan of it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a fan of it, you know? Because then you can preview everything here without having the navigation bar. Let's get it? I got you. I'll see what I can do in a second. I'll see what I can do. First, I gotta build this, okay? Yes, I will send you guys like the 50 off. Give me a second. I gotta create the code first. Now, I kind of like it though. It's not the worst thing ever, right? It's not the worst thing ever. Animation, I'll fix that one. You know? Please, Gemini. Please work this time, Gemini. Redesign the profile tab to look like the reference image. Yo, I'm gonna show you guys something before I create the code though. So let me search for this movie. Equilibrium, guys. You guys know this movie? Man, this movie is sick. And you guys hear the music? Like literally, listen. The music kind of like 2000s, kind of like dark, edgy vibe, you know? This shit right here is what I'm gonna watch today, you know? What is this? This is vibe coding, man. This is vibe coding. Now, do we have to send the punctuation at the end of the sentence though? I'm not too sure though. Now, let me see. Let me create the code for you guys. Because I mean, some of you guys want the code, so let me just yeah. Let me just create it right now for the people in the chat. Hey brother, I'ma finish developing my app, brother. I'ma check you. What the freak does LTR bro mean? Hey, I appreciate you too, big man. I appreciate you too, big man. But hey, I appreciate that shit. Hey, enjoy your day, big man. Enjoy your day. I got no idea what the freak that means, you know. 28. Okay, so this is March. No, this is like yeah, it's March, right? March 28. Yeah, there we go. March 28th. Okay, there we go. Unk later. See you. Hey, enjoy your day, you guys. It means later. Oh, I see. I mean, you guys don't even know, man. I'm like a guys. Shit, I don't even know that shit, guys. Hey, but I appreciate that. Yo, how you doing, Kate? I'm doing good, big man. I'm doing good. What up? You guys are crazy today. So March 28th, right? March 28th, and then I will give you guys access to basically the premium plan and also the starter plan. Nothing else. And also not top ups, guys. Nah, not top ups. Hold up. And this ends maybe Monday. Boom. There we go. Why the price so high? Price is not high, big man. Price is $20. That is very, very cheap. Very cheap, big man. If you think that's not cheap, I think you should learn how to build mobile apps, big man. That's what I think you should do. But you tell me, big man. TikTok badge? Guys, I'm not gonna lie. Some monkey sent me an email to my. Some monkeys just sent me an email saying that I have the blue TikTok badge, bro. What is this new scam, bro? Come on now. What are you making today, big man? I am making, basically right now your boy is making an app, like a B2B app. Basically, you can book flights and hotels for, you know, like for the employees, and everything is in one app. How much money are you making? Panda, I'm making a good amount. I'm making a decent amount, you know, making decent amount. Now, let me see. Okay, wow, does this look like the design that we got? Yeah. Yes. It looks good. L cam, L prompter. Man, see, I just know you love me, bro. That's why you say that. You love the new setup. And you like the looks as well. What system are you using? I am using, what do you mean, big man? System? Bloom.diy and Stitch. That is what I'm using right now, right here, you know. Man, why are you saying you thought I was Vietnamese? Yes, I am Vietnamese, but I'm just not, you know. I can't speak it that well. I can't read it that well, but I am Vietnamese. My roots, you know, my roots. Let me see your credits on Open Router. My credits? Nah, man. Hey, you no time for that shit. Stitch is a platform where you can build Stitch is a platform where you can build really good UI UX. You know. Say, come on now. Which AI are you using on to start building mine as a student from Nigeria? I'm using Bloom.diy, big man. Now I know you got bands on Open Router, man. This guy talking to me like I got a lot of money on these freaking platforms, man. What are you talking about, dog? Dominic? Man, what are you talking about, Dominic? Interesting. Is Stitch free? I think Stitch is. I mean, I got the pro plan, so I don't really know. But I can do it. Azizi, bro, appreciate the follow. Can you make a giveaway with free plans? No. Is it better than Lovable? Lovable only build web apps, will full stack native apps, phone apps, and web apps. Multiplayer feature, real-time sync, built-in backend using convex. That's a lot of things, you know. Man, I'm gonna show you my ass, bro. Nah, hey, no diddy though. Hey, that's crazy. My phone lagging crazy. It might be my internet, bro. It might be my internet again. It might be my internet, though. I pay for Bloom. It's good. Don't make, bro. Man, who you? Who you, man? I don't know you, though. Nice. I'm building something and struggling with front end. Devil's Playground. Oh, I kind of get what you mean. But I've never done. Check my sub. What's your email? Big man? Tell me what your email is. Cause damn, if you really a Bloom user though, how would I know that? 1 sec. Okay. I got you. I'll check it out. I got you. Okay, let me actually finish that. We're talking too much right now. So this is not so bad. This is deadass not so bad, guys. I'm not gonna lie. The animation and stuff like that, we gotta fix. Obviously, we gotta fix that one. But other than that, I kind of like it though. I kind of like it though. Oh my days. Okay, so let me build this one. The full itinerary, right? Boom. In the main tab, there's the quick actions. There's view full itinerary. And I want that sub page to look like the reference image. There we go. There we go. I hate front end. Thanks for the info. I got you, peace. I got you. Are you serious, bro? Let me check. Let me check. Like you got access to Bloom. Hold up, Dominic. Hold up. Like to Bloom, right? To Bloom. Is that what you're talking about? Is that what you're talking about? No, tell me. This user heroes gmail.com. I'm checking it out right now. Okay, I restarted TikTok. I'm not lagging anymore. Finally, hey, that's crazy. All right, that's crazy. Nah, I can't find you, big man. It's euros, right? Euros, Domic. Man, you ain't on Bloom, big man. I can't see your email, bro. I can't see your email. Now, for everybody in the chat, listen, for everybody in the chat, if you want 20% off, this is the one. March 28th. That's the 50% off if you guys want it. Wait, then it's a different one. I'm going to check it out later. I got you. My user's fire. Hold up. What are you talking about? All right. What are you talking about? Hey. Now, why is Stitch taking such a long ass time? Now, I need to go to the toilet again because your boy is literally like dying from all the water that he drinks. Gotta go to the toilet, you know. Gotta go to the toilet right now. So if everybody joins and you don't get like you don't see me, they see the sexiness, then you know I'm at the toilet, you know. The travel industry is a trillion market. Build this and send it to travel agencies. It's not just travel agencies. I'm thinking about this is gonna be a B2B app, not just travel agencies, you know, but a B2B app for like companies as well. That would be crazy, you know. That'd be crazy. I kind of like this one. It's not so bad. I really like the design, but is it possible to move the contents or the elements a bit more to the left? Because right now it seems like it's touching the edge of the right side. There we go. Listen, your boys go to the toilet. I'm gonna be back in a quick minute. Yo, how we doing, everybody in the chat? God damn, I get all the follows now. What's going on? The pizza chef, cherries, HD, everybody in chat. I appreciate you guys. Now, what do you guys type while I was away? Hold up. No, I'm not in Vietnam right now. I'm back home in Denmark. Dark designs always better, man. You should we make this a dark design? We'll see. We'll see though. We'll see. We'll see. Nice. B2B is nice. B2B is saturated as hell. Booking is at, yeah, you know, that's why I'm trying to get an affiliate ad booking ad, right? And then I can get their API and then we can actually make this app really work well, you know? Hey bro, what up, Omar? What up, what up, what up? I want to build something. I don't know what to develop. What do you, big man, see what kind of problems people have and then build for, you know? Bro, I thought you were from the US. I'm not from the US, big man. I'm not. From Denmark. I don't know what's going on. Ria, you don't have to know what's going on, but hey, just stay tuned, you know? Does my app will work on Android and iOS? Yes, on Android and iOS. Of course, big man, of course. That's what we built it for. Now, we are going to launch on Android very soon, so you will also be able to like just build from there. But iOS is kind of making, you know, Apple is kind of making it kind of hard for us, you know? But it's all good, it's all good. Gonna make my app tonight then? That's crazy, man, that's crazy. I like it. Damn, this app is not so bad though. This app is not so bad though. We kind of like it. I kind of like it. Now, let me just go to the users onboarding. Hold up. Let me see if we did some growth today in the chat. All right, guys. It's been a long time since I checked the growth because your boy's been away on a vacation, you know. So that's why I got to check my screen really quick. Now, we're not doing so well today. Oh my days. I follow you now, bro. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Now, let's move on to the next one. Okay? I mean, there is the full itinerary and then there's the expense management. I wanna make this one. This one is, it's looking kind of crazy, okay? Bongs, I appreciate the follow. Smart guy, I appreciate that. Now, but it depends though. It depends. I mean, I am making this basically for our company, but it's also a demo app for next week when we're gonna release a new feature, and that's gonna be shown in the demo app. Oh, the demo app is gonna be shown in the product video. But to be able to build this like for B2B, that could make a lot of money as well, you know, a lot of money. Okay, UI is kind of bucking out, but that's all right though. In the main tab under quick actions, there's the sub page. Add expense receipt. Redesign that sub page to look like the reference image. There we go. Bro, you carrying this app? Nah, what kind of app are you talking about? M-Dash, you talking about Bloom? Shit, yes sir. Carrying the company for real though. You know? Sugu, appreciate the follow. Why don't you make Bloom with Bloom? We can make Bloom with Bloom. That's gonna be possible, you know? I don't know what plan I'm gonna need. Don't know how quick I will run out of credits. Max, hold up. Let me tell you this right now. Max, let me tell you this. Let me give you some tips and tricks. Okay, look. So when you get your plan, right? If you get the premium plan, you first plan out all the core features that you need. Okay, like on a separate doc or use Claude Code or whatever, right? And then you paste it into the chat, and then underneath the core features or whatever, you tell the AI agent to like make this app, and then you basically just speak to the AI agent. That's what you do. That's what I do, you know, and add the core features, and then you use Opus for that. But if you don't have a lot of credits, you still use Opus for the initial prompt, and afterwards when you want to add some functions, designs and shit like that, you use Sonnet or GPT for functions, Sonnet for well, I mean, why would you not use GPT instead of Sonnet? So I would use GPT instead, but Sonnet is a bit cheaper. And then Gemini for designing. That's what I would do. Always use Bloom first. Always use Opus first, and then, you know, for designing, use Gemini. And if you want it cheaper than Opus, use Sonnet. And if you have a bit more credits, you can use GPT. It's up to you. You know, it's up to you. 18K doesn't seem cool. Twisted, bro. You're a Roblox guy. Get out my chat, man. Come on now, you stinky monkey. 18K followers. Damn, you deserve at least 1 million, bro. I appreciate that. 80, bro. Adi, I appreciate that shit. Affiliate marketing, though, you'll be competing for a slice of price, but that depends. I mean, it's not really gonna be. That depends, though. That depends, because it's very hard to make something where you can actually book a hotel and look for hotels. I mean, you can take a look at like, let's say, You can use SERP Google A. You can use SERP API and then search for Google Hotels, right? And then within the app, you will then put a paywall like what, like $100 per month or something, and then I will get you know, some money from the what is it called again, from the booking and also from the flight booking itself. So you know, it depends though, it depends. The plan is not to get a slice off the price, it's just to get people on the app and then get a paywall on it, you know. I'm always use Sonnet. It's alright for me. Sonnet is good. Sonnet is good, you know. Sonnet is decent. Okay, let me see what it looks like. Let me see. What is this app though? On the total spend, there's the 65% number on the right side. What does that indicate? I'm not too sure what that is. The icon is also just white. Make it look better. Oh my god, we got another advocator on, bro. Gemspark, bro. Shop, get out of my chat, man. Open your class on Udemy. Nah, we'll see, man. We'll see. Real Saeed, Ayulani. I appreciate all the follows. You guys are crazy. Now, is this guy just a freaking advocate, bro? This guy's a real advocate. That's crazy. God damn. So they bought your account or something, and then I guess you now advocate for them, right? God damn. That's crazy tactic. Nah, I wouldn't know though. Nah, I'm getting kind of. Listen, your boy's getting kind of. When you were spoken for like two and a half hours, right? You be speaking about a lot of things. So right now, your boy's kind of. He doesn't know what to talk about, which is the crazy thing, you know. He doesn't know what to talk about right now. So hopefully we get a chat going, shit like that, and then hopefully get the designs going, you know. Hold on, let me see what the public DMs are. God damn. Okay, so let me see. So this is supposed to be. I appreciate that piece. Enjoy your day. You need food? I do need food, bro. Oh, I like it. This looks good. Rakari, big man, how long have you been here, bro? What do you mean that Apple makes it hard for Bloom? Do they refuse some apps built with Bloom? No, they don't refuse apps built with Bloom. They refuse vibe coding tools to be published on their ecosystem, like Replit, Bold, Bloom, Vibe Code app, Rourke. So it's kind of hard, you know. You see that arrow on the top, the text underneath, you should maybe move it. I'll see in a second. We'll do all the nitty bits later. You know. Yeah, Leif. That's why, like, we were supposed to do like the Apple launch, no, like the launch on iOS, but like the thing is, bro, it's so hard because, you know, Apple they basically make it impossible for you to do it now. So we are thinking of a whole new concept, which is just the same thing, but the users on Bloom is gonna get like a whole new upgrade. I used it for prompt MVP terms for my app and it's super good. I'm using your web Bloom for what? Man, shut up! I thought you were an advocate for something else, man. What? It's Saturday. I'm playing Elder Scrolls Online while watching. That's crazy, man. I appreciate you, big man. But hey, why you focus on the Elder Scrolls and then drop the live, big man? Hey, you're gonna be having like 2 things. Gotcha. Am I vibe coding? For sure I am, man. For sure I am. Now, hold up. Last page, and then we actually do the back end, okay? Do the nice features, and then we can go on from there, you know? Boom. In the command app tab, in the quick actions, there is the subpage contact concierge. Redesign that subpage to look like the reference image. But all the money in iOS, that's true. All the money is in iOS. But the problem is, listen, the money is no. That's the thing. There's two ways. Apps built on Bloom is gonna be easily uploaded to like the Apple Store, but if they just had Bloom on their side, like on their store, they wouldn't get like a little piece of the pie when people like actually get a sub on Bloom through the mobile. But nah, they don't like it. So I don't know. They don't like the money, you know, which is kind of ridiculous, you know, ridiculous. Like, damn. Weekend are content days. My girlfriend goes boss mode. I'm not allowed. Ooh, okay, I see. Shit, bro. Listen, I also have like a system where it's not Bloom, but it's something else, you know. Like my girl helps me with that. She edits everything, and I just be making the content, and then yeah, stuff moves, you know. Stuff moves. Money comes in, money comes out, you know. CK, I appreciate the follow. Appreciate the follow. Damn. Okay, listen, we have had a crazy ass stream today, guys. This is crazy. Not gonna lie, I like AI apps because it will give cybersecurity more job. Not gonna lie, that depends. That kind of depends. But hey, we all live in a bubble, you know. We all live in a bubble. We can all think whatever we want to think. Shab, I appreciate the follow. I appreciate the follow. Nah, shit. Should I end this stream and then get some food and then come back? Nah, I shouldn't. I'm so hungry though. Your boy is so hungry though. Damn. We haven't eaten the whole day. I just woke up. I can't end it, Rakari. I can't end it right now. But you know what I can do? You know what I can do? I can take my chair back though. Hold up. Hold up a minute. Eat on live stream? Nah, I don't know about that one. I don't know about that one. You guys will see me munching and shit like that. And then I can't even enjoy my shit, you know? Because you guys will see me munching. How long does it take for an app to get approved on the Google Play Store? Google Play Store? I don't know. I don't know. I have not published on the Google Play Store yet. You have to eat, bro. Man, I might need to have to eat. I might need to. Now, let me see what the design looks like. Let me see what the design looks like now, okay? Because we can always do a redesign. We can always do a sleek and nice redesign, okay? Hold up. And then, I obviously got to do some nice and sleek animations to make the app more like hookable or whatever it's called. Depends on requirements. They and your app meets them. Yeah, for sure. Okay, let me see. Your dedicated support team. Why do we need a support team? That actually makes no sense. That makes no sense at all. Duffel API, does it come with support? Now, hold up. Let me see. Right? Hold up. Okay, hold up. I like it. Hold up. I got something in mind right now. Oh my days. Hold up. Bro, teach me to do vibe coding gems on. You're looking at how to do it right now. That's what I'm doing right now. Sentra, EDZ, I appreciate the follow. A friend of mine's app got rejected because it didn't have delete account button, but had it in the terms. Crazy. Yeah, you gotta be specific though. I mean, I kind of understand I kind of get that there's so many restrictions, man. It's kind of needed, you know. No, some requirements. I mean, requirements, not restrictions, but what am I saying? Now, hold up. I'm going to use Opus for this now. This is going to be a bit technical now. But for the support contact concierge, right? Basically, the support here would change depending on either the hotel or the flight, you know? Let me see what I can do. What are the requirements? Man, you can see it being a flight. You can see it on there when you publish it, you know? No, when you're about to publish it, you know? Did we just get a sailing? Hold up. Did we just get a sailing? What's going on? Okay, I'm back. Hold up. I need to read something really quick. Yo, Duck. I appreciate the follow, man. What up? I currently run an e-commerce website for B2B and B2C. Is there a way I can use Bloom to create the app? For sure. Easy. For sure you can. The concierge, the support team, actually needs to function another way. So Duffel, they already make it possible to like contact their support. So every time that we book a flight, I want to contact the Duffel team because it is essentially their API that we are using to book the flights. And every time we book a hotel, it would make sense to basically have the email of the hotel and then we can contact them, because I will upload a PDF file of the hotel that we booked, the support and everything like that. So So it should basically be a hub for support in the concierge page. Do you kind of understand what I mean? Great idea, not gonna lie. What idea though? Alright, what idea though? What AI wrote this is bloom.diy, BLOOM.diy. That's what we're doing right now. That's what we're building. Building apps and then making a crazy ass page. Now, take a look at this. Take a look at this. This is so basic though. Right? And I need to use live data as well. I need to use live data as well. Obviously. Now, it doesn't look so great. I'm not gonna lie. Is it possible to redesign the concierge hub to look more dynamic and interesting? Not so many boxes, but more Gen Z like. It's dynamic, it's intriguing. There's some sort of interactive element to it. Can this platform build a gaming mobile app? Gaming mobile app. That's kind of hard to do. That's kind of hard to do, big man. I mean, you can build a 2D game, but if you want to build AAA games, that's gonna be hard, you know. New AI builder, bro? No, it's not a new AI builder, big man. It's we've been here for a while. We are still a startup, but we've been here for a while, you know. For like maybe a year or something like that, you know. What up, kiddos? Welcome. Yes, I know it's been like, I haven't streamed for 8 days, 7 days, something like that. 10 days, I don't even know, because we took a little break. Now I'm back in Denmark. Crazy ass apartment, crazy ass studio. So yeah, you know, crazy ass studio. Well, it's just my living room, but still, it's a crazy ass setup that I got, you know. Now, I want to redesign this one, okay? I want to redesign this one because the concierge page, it's not looking the greatest, I'm not gonna lie. Something more interactive, and then we should also make it for like the other tabs as well. So for now, we can start with the concierge, you know? Looking comfortable? Yes, bro. This is hella comfortable, bro. This is like, got my chair, got all my screens now. I mean, hey, got the window. Everything is looking nice, you know? I don't have the view. I don't have the crazy ass view anymore. But it's all good though. So why is it so much to the left side? What's going on right now? What's going on? Wow, we need to fix this though. Can this platform use to upgrade websites that I built with Next.js? No. No, you can build it from scratch here if you want to, you know. Put the contents and elements more in the middle. Right now, it's too much to the left side. Shit, we're having a hell of a time today. I'm not gonna lie, guys, we're having a hell of a good time today. Even though that we're not having the biggest motion, we're having a hella good time today, man. You're crazy. Alvin, what up? What up? I am Luisa, bro. What up? Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the chat. You guys are crazy. Listen, it's the first stream that I've done for like, it's been like 10 days or 7 or 8. I don't even remember, but it's been a bit of time, you know, been a bit of time. Now we're back. We're having a little bit of motion. That's good motion, though. Every single motion is motion in the chat, you know? Crazy stuff. Yo, Rakari and Jay is gonna do some business in the chat, man. What's going on? I appreciate everybody here. God damn. Appreciate the follow too, man. You guys are crazy. What's going on right now? God damn. Should I also record my session with the with like YouTube? Nah, I probably shouldn't do it. Nah, it doesn't really matter. Now, why is this so much to the side? I mean, it doesn't really matter right now. Nah, I don't like this shit. Loom.diy, big man. Bro, I don't understand basic programming. Can I directly design a website or app with AI? Yes, for sure you can. Why wouldn't you be able to, man? Now, I kind of like this one. There's a little interactive aspect to it. I kind of like it. For the timeline down below, instead of having big boxes, is it possible to have like a circular timeline? And then it's somehow interactive with each other, somehow dynamic. What do you mean? You saw your name in the chat. What do you mean, Kitos? Ling, I appreciate the follow. Why does it take time to produce the website? What? Take time to produce the website? What are you talking about, Kitos? Oh shit! That's the same guy in the chat. What? I'm using Bloom.diy, but damn. Well, it takes time because the AI needs to plan it out and then actually build it, you know? That's why it takes time. God damn, we got 2 Kitos in the chat. What's going on? Oh my god, I didn't even notice the guy, big man. I didn't even notice the guy. Now hold up. Let me take a look at this. So why does it need to expo document picker? I haven't even gone to the documents yet. Damn. But it should be possible, right? So you have like a hub where you can contact the support. Well, that's gonna take a bit of time. So we might as well just redesign it, you know? Might as well just redesign it. No, Ghostwire, I know what you're about to say. I saw you join in the chat, man. I know what you're about to say, okay? Oh, something like that, but maybe not something like that, you know? Maybe not something like that. Ghostwire, I might need to slap your bum in real life, man. When Danny will eat food? Maybe later today, maybe in a few hours. I gotta build this first, and then I'm gonna build it tomorrow, you know? You stalking me? Man, I might potentially do, you know? I'm joking, TikTok. This is a joke, you know? Oh, okay, I understand. You're the creator of Bloom. I'm not the creator of Bloom. I'm not sure what you understood, big man, but I'm the creator. The vibe content creator, not the founder, you know? Wait a sec, can this platform also create Figma screen? I'm pretty sure it can, big man. I'm pretty sure it can. Now, timeline, though. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. This is not looking good. Never mind the timeline with the circular interactiveness. I don't like it. I think it should be like a straight line or something. And then there should be like the statuses coming out of, you know, the timeline or whatever. Just make it look good and premium. What do I think about Sora Rip? I appreciate that, Ghost. I enjoy the day. I mean, the thing about Sora is that Sora, I'm nothing really. I have no thoughts about it. I think it's a good thing. Because now they don't have to spend time doing AI videos. Now they can actually go in and make the models insane. Really focus on that instead of thinking about videos, right? Because videos, you got other models, you got Chinese models that are way better, you know? So yeah. I don't think it's I think it's a good thing. I'm not gonna lie. Cloud, how much equity I have? I mean, is that you study? Alex, bro. Alex, come on now. You crazy, bro. Jang, I appreciate the follow. Exactly. I think it's a win as well. Yes, sir. I mean, it's a good thing that they were trying to be like an all-in-one kind of platform. You got the AIs, and then you got the videos. But in the end, why not focus on one thing and then make it really insane? You know, just with Claude, they don't have a video editing. They don't have a video model, but their models are insane. So by using like remotion shit like that, you're gonna make amazing videos. You know what I mean? I used Bloom and made an app to hack the FBI. Now I'm getting phone calls, bro. Nas, bro. I appreciate the engagement. When I see you in real life, bro, I'm gonna start the bum out of you, bro. You known became #1 in my country for an AI creation from 1,600 competitors. Kitos, what are you talking about? Like, man. The tie, bro. Appreciate the follow. Exactly. I think it's a win. Hold up. Did I read the same comment twice? I did. What do you use to create those designs? I use Stitch, big man. That's what I used. Now, it's not the best design that I made. I'm not gonna lie. It's not the best design, bro. We gotta fix this one. It's not the best one. And this one is good though. Opinion about Magnus Carlsen? Bro, I know it's you, Alex. I'll make sure to let them know a guy on TikTok saying anything is possible with AI. Yeah, you can say whatever, Nas. I think you're a sussy boy in your little profile picture though. What am I saying is that we should collaborate. I mean, potentially. We'll see. What happened to that fitness app? What kind of fitness app? Don't record. What are we talking about right now? What? Nah, we'll see though. We'll see. Collaboration. I don't know. I'm not too sure. I mean, potentially one day I will collaborate with a lot of people. But for now though, no. What, Danny? Are you drunk, bro? Listen, bro. I see your name, bro. StudyMax.net, bro. I see your name, bro. There's only one guy that I know that created that shit. Come on now. I'm seeing that idea. If I don't see it, man, you better steal it. You better steal it. Just use Cloud Code, dude. Okay, you can use Cloud Code, dude. You know, this is AI. This is hella AI. This is hella AI. Now I gotta see if these functions work. Because if it doesn't, ooh, not so good. You know, your Vietnamese guy live in other countries. Yes, yes. I'll go second for collaboration. Now, what kind of collaboration would we do though, Rakari? What kind of collaboration would we do though? You tell me. You tell me. Now, the thing about this though, the front end, we always have problems in the front end, which is kind of annoying. Okay, kind of annoying. So every time you gotta reload the app, and then it's gonna refresh or re-download this shit, and then you can actually preview it, which is kind of annoying from time to time. You know, hard. I appreciate the follow. What's your job, What's your job, man? My job? You're looking at what my job is. Show me an app made with Bloom that has more than 10k downloads. Big man, why would I show you anything? You've been hating for every single time you came in. I got no time for you. You know, no. Hey, listen. You might need to get out of the chat, little man. Come on now. Come on now. Everything documented or with simple concepts. Nah, Kitos, you know what? I banned that guy, man. Hey, he's talking too much. Too much crap. What's this guy? What's this app, bro? You are from the 90s or something. What's this app, bro? Billy Jenkinsons, bro. Are you a monkey in real life? Shit. Let's create our world with AI NPCs, bro. And listen, I get a lot of NPCs in my chat, like the people that join. Ooh, I might need to I might need to take a step back, you know, Mac. I might need to take a step back and go on from there, you know. What are you using for the code? I'm using React Native, Bloom.diy. What language is that? React Native, baby. React Native. Now, I gotta fix this. I gotta fix this somehow. I gotta make this look better. Is that Flutter or React Native? React Native, baby. React Native. We are using Expo for it, you know. Now, hold up. Okay, I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure what happened to this one, okay? I'm not too sure what happened with this one. But let me see what screen it takes, okay? Now, why is it taking such a long ass time? God damn, we tripping with the AI designs right now. Oh, I like that one. I like that one. Hold up. I like this one. I like this one. I like this one. No. No. Yo, Alex. Alex, bro. Get out of my chat, Alex. 777. I appreciate the follow. Is it free? I would love to try. Yes, it is free to test out. Fav, it is free to test out, big man. Just get onto Bloom.diy and test it out. My 10-year-old be doing something similar? Something similar? God damn, Billy, bro. Shit. What kind of similar are you talking about? Because, hey, I get a lot of NPCs in my chat and you might be one of them. Tell David to let customers customize text, etc. just by clipping them. Yeah, that's gonna be possible, bro. So, yeah, see, I knew you were Alex, bro. I knew you were Alex, bro. Come on now. Come on now, you little monkey. Where you from? I'm from Denmark, big man. I am from Denmark. Can we export APK with Stitch? APK with Stitch. Now, hold up, Stitch? Stitch is kind of like, Stitch is for UI UX, you know? Stitch is for UI UX, you know? So, hey, now let me see. This doesn't really make sense. I mean, the timeline here. Tom, I appreciate that. Wow. Hvad tror du, jeg bruger min tid på? Come on now. Think before you speak, bro. Strategies for AI, it depends. I mean, I need to put a strategy here though, because it doesn't really make sense that I have a timeline here. So I gotta fix it, you know. I gotta fix it. Bloom asking me to pay for points. I mean, if you used all your credits, obviously you need to get the tokens, you know. You need to get the tokens. AAA, I appreciate the follow. Now, this timeline doesn't make sense, bro. This timeline doesn't make sense. It's just, it doesn't make sense at all, you know. Redesign the whole concierge app tab. It doesn't make sense. So to reach the support, is it possible to toggle between the flights and hotels? So if you toggle on flights, it's obviously going to do the support for the flights, so duffel. But if it's support for the hotels, it's then going to switch to the hotel tab, and then you can send an email to the hotel, right? That's way better, right? I think that's way better. I think that's way better. I think that's way better. Hold up. Let me do it. Tumbal, bro. Appreciate the follow. Best voice AI agents. Best voice, bro. I don't even know. I got no idea. I don't work with the voice AI agents, so I got no idea, big man. I got no idea. Miguel, appreciate the follow. Damn. Listen, when you smile so much, it's like having Botox in your face, bro. You're developing VBE. I don't know what VBE is, but I'm basically building full stack native apps. That's what I'm doing. And then I'm taking the designs here and then putting it onto Stitch. What do you mean, Alvin? What are you talking about, Alvin? Omu, I appreciate the follow. What are you talking about, Alvin? Your boy's literally using bloom.diy. BLOM.diy. That's what we're doing right now. Now, I gotta redesign this page. I mean, I don't know why. It's literally like darker. Doesn't make sense. But we'll see what we can do. This is not scalable in deployment. This is very scalable in deployment. Lee, I don't know what your man. You Asian and you be saying that AI can't do good coding, bro. You tripping, man. Is Google good? I use Claude and Codex right now. I think. Oh, the camera. Hold up. You guys see me though, right? What up, Eldir? What up? Yes, I mean, Google is good at designing, I would say. You know? Because when you're giving your prompt to Stitch, it's like you're telling it to implement functionality. Well, I need the app tabs for it. So that I can actually design, you know? That's why I'm saying I'm giving it the functionalities. So that it can actually design, you know? I've tried building an app from scratch up to deployment to Google Console. Have you tried that to scale? What are you talking about? We use Convex. as the backend. You have millions of people here. The code is very scalable. I mean, Asian guy in the chat doesn't even like AI. That's ridiculous, bro. That's ridiculous, man. Somebody needs to get up my chat, man. You kind of NPC, right? God, that's crazy. That's crazy. CB Milito Nuru, bro. I appreciate it. I appreciate you guys. Appreciate all the follows, man. Let's go. Just start my TikTok. Noah, what kind of TikTok you making though? I just saw a YouTube clip of you saying something like Bloom is focusing on Android. That true? Yes, that's true. That's literally true. This guy is an AI agent, man. Your mom might be an AI agent, man. What's going on? Keep grinding. I appreciate that. No, I appreciate that. Now, yes, we are focusing on Android, but kudos. There's a very big reason why we focus on Android, but it depends. It depends in what sense, though, because we are focusing on launching on Android, but for the App Store, it's a whole nother play, you know. It's a whole nother play because App Store is just kind of, Apple is making it harder for people, you know, which is kind of ridiculous. Okay, then how do you get Claude to implement it with functionality, or let's say anti-gravity? Well, I use Bloom, so I wouldn't know, big man. With anti-gravity, I wouldn't know. Scaled my vibe coding MVP agency to 7 figures. Now I want to share my story. Noah, congratulations with that shit, big man. Congratulations with that shit. That bro, props to you, big man. Props to you, really. That is crazy, big man. That is crazy. Redesign the contact concierge page to look like the reference image. Now, the reason why there is flights and hotels toggling is because you can toggle between the flights and the hotels and then toggle between the support. Boom. Oh, I didn't take it. I kind of like it. I kind of like it. I kind of like this one. We can always do a redesign of it later. And then obviously we need to soon work on the functionalities, you know. Is that client or app only? I'm working for the company, big man. This is going to be a demo app for it. It's a B2B app. Yeah, App Store is complicated launch. Yeah, I mean, they don't even want... Listen, they're basically making it impossible for what's it called again? For vibe coding tools to be launched on the App Store. But vibe coded apps, that's easy. But vibe coding tools, that's hard, you know. That's hard. I mean, in my opinion, I think it's stupid that they kind of did that because, you know, the reason is, why would they not make it possible for like non-techie people to be able to publish and build using AI and then publish on their platform? Well, not publish on their platform, but actually download something from their platform, and then they can be like non-technical founders, right? And actually earn a bit more money by getting a piece of that pie when they subscribe to Bloom on the mobile app. It's a stupid decision, you know. I don't know why, but yeah, well, maybe they got a plan behind it. Who knows? It's React Native thing, man. It's React Native. AX Nathan, appreciate the follow. This looks great. Shame it's only for iPhone. Well, it's not only for iPhone. It's for iOS, it's for Android, and it's for your web app. So I'm not too sure, Kai. I'm not too sure, Kai. You're speaking too fast, man. You gotta read it first, you know. Are we at the point where a beginner can actually launch a vibe coded app, but you are a few months behind? But yes, for sure you can. For sure you can. Which framework? React Native. As I told you, big man, we are basically using Expo and then Convex for the backend, you know. Why would they stop? Code quality, poor security, etc. There's entire industry here for a reason. Nah, not really. No. I mean, everybody's gonna be able to publish apps. Everybody is gonna be able to create really good, like, do great marketing on their apps and then make a lot of money. And then they can take that industry and then get some people to actually develop their app and further scale it. But no, not really. That's not really a valid argument, you know. Hold up, do you say you're using Bloom? Alvin, god damn, Alvin, you've been here, big man, you've been here, you've been watching the stream. Bloom to develop it, big man. Bloom to develop it. When I looked before, it said it was a web app for Android, but iOS. What? Kai, what are you talking about right now? What are you talking about right now? Hello, Danny. What up, man? What up? I feel like I always hear devs say vibe coded apps have many issues. Always. I hate that your statements are dismissive. I don't disagree that it will allow people in. I mean, hey, you can stay here, you cannot stay here. It's up to you, Torque. But in the end, people are gonna be able to build with AI and put it out there, and it's not really sloppy code because AI is getting better every single day. So you only need to take a look at it, though. You know, like it's not really that hard to like understand. But every man to himself. Every man to himself. That's a shit. Doesn't really matter, you know. I mean, the more engagement I get, the better I get, the more I can speak and make clips, you know. So that's all right. That's all right. This can't do games or even chat apps. Features are too difficult. Chat apps, very easy to do. Very easy to do due to the live backend, you know. I thought you were going to make another account. Nah, I didn't. Listen, we back now. It's not so bad, you know. It's not so bad. Using Lovable? No. Bloom.diy. Blurry. Oh, shit. I forgot to. Oh, shit. Nah, no. Hold up. Let me read the chat in a second. I didn't mean for it to look like this. No, I didn't even. God damn, I spoke too much and then I didn't focus on my chat. No, I didn't focus on this. Redesign the concierge page to look like the reference image. Hold on. Let me get back to the chat. It was full app for iOS devices, but only a web app for Android devices. Nah, that's not true. That's not true at all. No, I'm not from the Netherlands. User, I'm not from the Netherlands, big man. Where you from, guys? Look like a Vietnamese, guys. Yes, I am Vietnamese. I'm from Vietnamese. Just had a long ass vacation in Vietnam, you know. How about security and testing? I mean, you can test it yourself. You can get AI to test it. Security is always going to get improved. I mean, there's no reason to talk about security, you know. User, oh, hold up. Come on, chill with the Netherlands. No, I'm not from the Netherlands. God damn it. But Syrian, he's from the Netherlands. And Syrian, the co-founder, he is from the Netherlands. Hold up, I gotta appeal to this. God damn, hold up. Okay, bad guy. Can I transfer my Lovable to this? No, you can't. It's a whole new code. Nah, you can't do that, big man. You can't do that. But you can take a picture of it and then just build it onto, you know, build it on Bloom itself, you know. Gail, I appreciate the follow. If you made the subscription and general payments outside the app on website, for example, Apple will not take money from that. Yeah, that's true. Hold up. Okay, damn, error. Hold up. Damn, we gotta fix this one. First error of the stream. What up, Emil? What up? Welcome. What software is that? This is Bloom.diy and Stitch that I'm using. Nah, I cannot read Vietnamese, big man. I cannot read Vietnamese. You look like you'd be a great friend. I mean, I appreciate that. This is not Rogue, big man. This is Bloom.diy. What are the price differences and main differences between Bloom and Lovable? Price differences, you can check that for yourself. But the main difference between Bloom and Lovable is that we create full stack native apps. We have the live backend for every single app, so you don't have to connect an external backend. We have the real-time sync. We have the multiplayer feature, so you can test it out with other people. So there's a few things that we have, you know. Bro, ask a question. Q. Now, Yo, you gotta chill. You gotta chill. Otherwise, you're getting out, man. Chill and shit. God damn, this guy. I'm using Bloom.diy, bro. Q, bro. Listen, god damn. God damn, somebody's in a bad mood today. Shit. What's the ad called? This is Bloom.diy. Hi, can I set in a prompt? What? Hold up. Hi, can I set in prompt what backend is need? For example, Laravel? No. We're gonna use convex for every single app built on Bloom, big man. I mean, you can change the backend if you take the code outside and then do it manually yourself, but that's kind of hard to do. If you're technical, that's easy to do. But if you're not technical, nah, there's no reason to do it. We use convex for every single app here created on Bloom, you know. So hey. That's it. Now, hopefully, listen. Hopefully, we're gonna get a few more people in here that can actually watch this demo app, because I am building this demo app for next week, because we basically have like a feature post next week, and this app is gonna be shown as the feature. So hopefully, it's gonna look good. You know, hopefully it's gonna work. It's gonna look good. And everything works, you know. How far does 3,500 credits get you building a full app? It gets you to build, you can build a really good, like a gym app, like a notes app. You can build a good app, but then you would need to use, you would need to use Sonnet, GPT, and Gemini, not Opus. Opus is very expensive, but I would use Sonnet to build it, and then Gemini to design it. That's what I would do. Now, hold up. What kind of app are you making, big man? I'm making a B2B travel app right now. So basically, every single company can use this app, and then they can book their travels through this app and basically manage everything in this app. Now, I know my internet lagged out, and then I gotta fix the appeal process, which is kind of ridiculous. That's why we're losing motion. That's why we're losing motion, though. You know, but it's all good, though. We're gonna keep it going, because I always have these fluctuations in the stream, which is kind of annoying, you know. 500 MB isn't much storage. I mean, okay, how about you try yourself? You know, how about you try yourself, and then you can see if it's much or not, you know, before we get into it. Now, you can test it out, though. I can give you like a little 50% off discount code, but that's up to you if you want to use it or not. That's good, but yeah, but you have it with what do you mean, though? You have it with Superbase, though, right? They integrate with Superbase, I'm pretty sure. Like external, I'm pretty sure they do that. I'm pretty sure. Is it? This is taking. Yeah, that's Superbase. I mean, if you want more on Bloom itself, we are gonna make it possible, but not right now. Right now. It's not really needed, man. It's not really needed, cause you'll see when you actually build here. Yes, Q, if you want to. This is it. March 28th. That's the code, big man, and it's only available for today until Sunday, and then it's gone, because I can't be giving out too many discount codes, you know. But the people that stay in the stream, yes, you guys can get a little freebie, because you are in the stream after all, you know, and interacting and doing a lot of shit, you know. So hey, come on now. Hold up. Oh damn, my life can't get recommended. Hold up, we might need to do a little restart of the stream. What's going on? Is the 50% for one time or every time? It's for the starter subs, starter and premium sub, big man, and it's only once. I heard that vibe coded app is banned on iOS. No, vibe coding apps are very hard to get into the ecosystem, but vibe coded apps can be published to the App Store. Okay, this is taking a bit of time, I'm not gonna lie. Damn, I might need to do a little pause and then eat some food and then get back to the grind, because if we can't get out to the algorithm, oh, that's not so good. You know. So we need to maybe like do a quick little restart of the stream. Okay, who knows? Because I gotta go soon as well, and then probably continue this tomorrow. So if I don't continue this now, I will continue this tomorrow, because this gotta be done Monday, end of day Monday. So hopefully that's gonna be done soon. You know, it's gonna be. Hopefully, we'll see. This is taking a bit of time. This is taking a bit of time though. Let me see. Is it stuck? I mean, it's searching for the code, right? But it's still taking a bit of time though. It's not that I dislike it. It's not that I dislike it, but it's kind of funky looking. It's kind of funky looking. I don't dislike it, but it's kind of funky looking. We gotta see. So after this redesign, I will potentially work offline on the app itself and then continue with like the bigger redesigns tomorrow. But we'll see though. We'll see. Because the TikToks I gotta be within the guidelines though. So we gotta be careful about that one, you know. We gotta be careful about that one, you know. No, it is literally just searching through the same thing. I'm pretty sure. I mean, it's not the same thing, but why is it doing this though? This is taking a bit of time though. Hold up now. If it doesn't finish within the next 2 minutes, when it gets to 12:37, I'll restart this one and then I'll restart the stream as well. God damn. No, it doesn't. It really doesn't. Hold up. It really doesn't. Okay, everybody in the chat, I'm gonna do a quick restart. It's been 3 hours. I'm gonna do a quick restart and then eat some food and then get back because I need to fix this before we go further. I appreciate everybody. in the chat.